Network Entertainment.
Hello, welcome to Walang Edit. At ngayon, ngayon, grabe, nagkasya sila sa sofa.
Yes. Wow. Are
We
you saying
have-
I gained some weight or something? Like, come on, man. I just put on a couple of pounds.
Yung bilbil mo, sumasabit sa balikat
Chat,
ni Alexia.
magpapayat ka nga. Ang sikip
Oh,
eh.
wow.
Yeah.
Tingnan mo, hindi snug yung turtleneck mo. Merong may
Close up nyo muna before tayo
may konting
magsimula.
3 fingers
Yeah.
na kasya dyan.
I struggled to fit into this.
And today, meron tayong dalawang special guest. Pero before ko sila introduce properly, join kayo ng Facebook group namin. 1,200 na kami, guys.
Yeah.
1.2.
1.2!
4 digits, bro.
I just want to shout out a few members of our Facebook group.
Walang Edit with Leland Facebook group.
On our Facebook group. Shout out to our members, Timothy Chalamet.
Ah.
Uy.
Chalamet? Timothy Chalamet?
Chalamet.
Team Champs.
Yeah, he
Si
joined
Tichao.
lang last week. Lisa from Blackpink.
Lisa from
she
Blackpink.
keeps commenting, man. Bro, girl, get a life.
Nandun din ako sa group, parang wala naman.
Tinatag kita, hindi kita natatag. Hindi ko alam bakit eh.
And then lastly,
Sige lang, busin mo lang.
one of the backup dancers sa Showtime. Yun lang. That's it. That's it. That's it.
Okay. Salamat.
Sino?
Showtime
One of
dancer
them.
number 3. Pero today, ang dalawa nating special guest ay the Kings and Princess
Yeah.
of
The King and
Solid-
Prince. Ganun ba yan?
The King and
The King,
Prince.
the Prince.
The King and the Prince of
There we
Solid
go.
OK Productions. Do you call it Productions? Incorporate?
Legally Comedy Studio Incorporated.
Ooh.
That's what
Solid
it says
OK.
on our receipt. Yeah.
Okay. Pagka nag-i-invoice, yun
Kailangan mag-invoice. I pay my taxes, guys.
Yes,
It's
pay your
importante.
taxes.
That's
Ano kayo?
right,
3%?
BIR.
3%?
2%.
Saan napupunta?
2%?
Ano, withholding?
Oo.
Kasi parang...
Damn, that's low.
Well, I have to pay anyway at the end.
Yeah.
It all evens
It
out.
is something that we should be.
But yeah, we shouldn't be talking
Disclosing.
about
Taxes!
But that's our topic for today.
Welcome to the tax episode.
BIR
Ladies and
requirement.
gentlemen, the creator of Solid OK, Ryan Puno.
Yes, sir.
And one of the, I think the main head writer. Tama ba? The main head
Yeah,
writer.
right now, the head writer.
I am the head
He is
writer.
the head writer.
What did you do to the
of Solid
others?
OK.
Walang ibang head writer, man.
Wala na.
Alexia Tabafun.
Yes, sir. Ang main difference lang namin ni Andren is kaya kong correct ng grammar. Yun lang yun.
Kaya niya
Skill.
manggulo.
Oo, man.
Oh.
How's life, guys?
Life is good. Life is good.
Grabe tong...
Oh.
Masaya, man.
Okay.
Strong open with that. No?
Pwede ko ba
Life.
sabihin, Ryan, yung latest update ng buhay mo?
Which one? That I'm going to have, that I'm with child? My partner is with child. Yes, I'm going to have a baby.
Congrats.
Congrats, Ryan. Ako,
Congrats.
sobrang excited ako makita si Little Alexio.
Si little Alexio. Si little Alex.
Named after
like-
your favorite person in the world.
Every time nakikita ko sila, sinasabi ko, it's a cool name.
Yeah.
I'm
Maging
honored.
Alex siya eh.
Okay
din naman.
Si Lex.
Si Lex.
Si Big Lex.
Si Exo.
Si Exo.
So, dahil nandito kayo, gusto kong ito, syempre, comedian.
Yeah.
Comedian.
Oh,
comedian.
comedian.
Comedian. Ang pag-uusapan natin ay TV series.
TV series, man.
Ooh, that's right.
Except for the comedy one.
That's right.
Kasi nga, I think lahat naman tayo dito big fans of, TV
No.
series. Ano ba ang paborito mong TV series?
Right now?
Yeah.
Or all time? Right now, just finished Task sa HBO.
Okay.
Highly recommend Mark Ruffalo.
Oh,
The
Limited the Ruffles,
Oh,
as he's called.
The Incredible Hulk.
Yeah, dude.
Si M. Rizzle.
Solid.
The
Like,
Matty from 13
yeah,
going.
yes, Maggie.
Oh, I love that.
Yeah. Yun, just finished Nobody Wants This.
Oh, dude.
Nobody wants this.
That's
Big
my
fan.
favorite series
Yeah,
now.
big fan on Netflix. So yan, usually may parang may comedy track, tapos may drama track.
As comedian ba, gusto mo rin, mahilig
Mag-comedy.
ka rin mag-lean towards TV series na comedy?
Not necessarily. There was a time parang I need to get away. Alam mo yun? So like, I'll
fatigue, no?
I'll lean hard into like murder shows. Alam mo yun? Like mga
Documentary.
thrillers.
Mga Dahmer.
Oh.
Dahmer.
Well, Dahmer not so much. Pero like, kunyari mga
ganun.
I like,
Grabe.
favorite ko talaga mga thriller. Kunyari mga True Detective. That's why I like,
Oh, yeah.
Puta.
that's why I like
Ganda
Task.
ng-
Task is in that same kind of vein. Parang whodunits. Pare.
Ikaw, Ano bang trip mo?
Favorite right now.
Favorite
As if hindi
right
natin
now.
pinag-uusapan to all the
Uy,
time.
oo, pero
Oo eh.
alam mo nila. Hindi, all-time favorite ko siguro, Always Sunny. Like comedy eh. Always Sunny in Philadelphia. Really good.
Jack
Like,
TV.
Oo, pinanood ko sa Jack TV yun, pare. Tapos parang gago. Ba't ganito? Di ba? Feeling ko nag-shape siya ng humor ko somehow eh. Kasi nung pinanood ko siya, ano ba yun, 2006, 2007, parang wala pa ako nun eh. Hindi pa ako aware eh. Di ba?
Hindi ka pa. Ilan taon ka nun? 11?
O mga ganun pare. Nasa Jack TV eh. Di ba?
Sila Fred Armisen ba yun?
Hindi. Sila Charlie Day,
Ay ba? My bad.
Fred Armisen eh. Portlandia. Iniisip mo.
Yes.
A different state.
Different state.
Yeah.
Different state.
Ngayon mahilig ako manood ng mga reality shows.
Like
Like Kim
reality shows.
Kardashian. The
Hindi,
Kardashian.
ano?
Mga Love is Blind.
Keeping up.
Dude,
It takes
mga-
guts to be
actually-
the Cheres. Local pare.
Gago,
Si scene doon, nagalit lang si, ano pangalan ng tatay?
Si Mr. Gutierrez.
Mr. Gutierrez.
Gutierrez
Nasa,
Senior.
nagkaano sila, nandun sila nasa bus yata sila or sa coaster. Pumunta sila somewhere, magkakasama sila. Andun lahat ng Gutierrez. Nag-aaway yata si Rufa, pati yung nanay niya. Nasisigawan sila. Sabi ni Mr. Gutierrez, putang ina, respetuhin yung nanay niyo ha.
Lutong eh.
Ang ganda eh. Real Pinoy.
Family life.
Family eh.
Ganun,
I felt
kung
the
ganun,
guts.
parang unscripted eh. No?
Feeling ko,
murahin mo
feeling ko yung outlet ng mga artista, tago talaga eh.
Oh, for
Kaya
sure.
pag reality
May
show, maraming
face kang inaano
nasishock.
eh. Kasi hindi ka pwedeng on all the time.
Pero how real are those reality shows?
Ooh.
To be fair.
Maybe it depends. Like kasi laging may lumalabas. Mahilig ako sa competition shows actually.
Mga
Like,
physical 100.
Oh, physical Asia. Physical Asia, pare. Physical 100. Like, yung favorite ko sa Physical 100 is ginajudge ko lang sila na ganito yung katawan ko eh. Diba? Yung mga tipong, alam mo kung ako yan, tutulak ko yung par ko galing sa baba.
Pangit kasi yung technique
kumakain ako ng lugaw for 2. Mga ganun.
Sabi ko, extra toyo eh. Anyway.
Pero marami maganda eh. Like, favorite ko mga like Hell's Kitchen, gano'n.
Nice.
yeah, love a good cooking show.
Fucking raw.
Mga cooking shows talaga yung pressure para ikaw hindi ka naman magaling magluto pero
Kaya gusto ko yung The Bear eh.
The Bear.
Alam ko
Yun, di ba
mainstream na
stress
siya
yun?
ngayon.
Yeah.
And there's nothing wrong with that.
No, nothing wrong. Do you like The Bear, like recent The Bear? Like last
Like The Cub?
Oh, no. Parang like last 2 seasons of The Bear.
Ako, sorry, pero gusto ko siya all throughout.
All throughout.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
Kasi naniniwala ako na may mga seasons na kailangan lang nilang malaman yung ibang angles eh. In order for them to
get to this new
get
angle.
to this new angle, to this new climax.
Yeah.
So,
parang footing
I
lang
have
eh.
patience.
For sure.
Gets naman.
Ikaw ba, Jad? Ano ba favorite mo?
Right now, I've been watching Nobody Wants This. So
Yeah,
shout out
nice.
Kristen Bell, the GOAT.
Maganda ba?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like it.
If you
Parang
like a
feel
nice
good. I like a-
rom-com.
Yeah, like a good,
Rom-com siya.
like a good
Yeah.
feel good, feel good rom-com. Light viewing pero, good story.
A real
Is
Will
it a
Day,
conyo
Won't Day.
thing? Kasi gusto niyo both?
I don't know.
Si Kristen Bell talaga is for the con.
I don't know. Like, I don't think it's a Konya thing kahit hindi ba kayo nagro-rom-coms?
You know what they say.
Ako hindi ako masyadong fan ng rom-coms.
As a genre.
As a genre. Kasi alam ko...
Bakit?
Like even
Alam
if you
mo
go even if you go
corny,
back
ganun.
like to mga kunyari mga like How to Lose a Guy in 10 Days, mga ganun.
Mga
Type
ganun
mga ganun.
Lahat ng
proposal.
movies
The Proposal.
and TV shows na may intention pakiligin ka. Ayoko.
Okay.
Bakit?
Okay.
Kasi lalaki.
Jola. Jola.
Pero ayoko yung mga sweet shit. Actually, may paggalit ako, tapos tinatry ako lambingin ng girlfriend ko. Ayoko nun. Gusto ko pag galit ako, hayaan mo ako magalit. Ayoko yung parang, tama, hindi.
Hawakan.
Bad. This is my truth.
Baka trauma, I don't know.
Hindi, gets. Kasi
Hindi, pero
you gotta feel.
Preference mo lang talaga kung paano mo gusto i-express yung sarili mo.
Yeah.
Pero pucha, dahil lang, yung pag ayaw mo manood ng mga nakakilig na stuff, parang, what's stopping you, man?
Hindi ko alam.
Who hurt you, pare?
Don't you...
Gusto ko yung feeling na may pinapanood ako sa phone ko tapos may lalapit tayo na nakangiti na naman. Alam mo naman, pare. Ganun ka.
Ewan ko, ayoko lang kiligin. Ayoko lang.
But don't you get kilig in real life, like with your girlfriend?
Oo naman, that's
Which-
different. Pero if it's externally, it's coming from an external factor
Feeling
with the
ko-
intention of trying to, uy, kiligin ka na.
pinapakilig kita.
Feeling ko hindi mo pa napapanood yung perfect K-drama
Oo.
para sa sarili mo.
Okay. So ano yung... Saan ka
Meron
saan
din,
kinikilig?
there
Like,
is.
is there anything na, any kind of film or even series na parang, uy,
Yung pag may
gabi mo
romance
mga to eh.
element ba?
Oo.
Parang
Whatever.
anong movie or film yung or series na
gusto ko
mo
yung
na
Time Traveler's Wife.
Okay.
Yun
As
na,
a
ang
movie.
ano nun eh, parang gago.
That's some like heavy romance.
Oh, totoo eh.
Pero baka
Walang
dahil
com
kay,
yun eh.
Hindi siya kilig
Rom
moments
na
eh.
yun eh.
baka dahil kay Rachel McAdams.
Okay.
Parang The Notebook, ganun.
Ayoko nun.
Okay, too much.
Masyadong
What do you want?
Oh.
Ay, hindi pala British yun. Hindi pala British.
God damn it, what do you want?
Ayun pala.
Bakit ka what do you want?
What do you want?
What do you want, Dimitri? Pero yeah,
Nice,
ayokong masyadong kinikilig. Mahilig
Okay.
ako sa mga series na may kinalaman sa time.
Ah,
Kaya gusto ko yung low-key eh, yung ngayon.
Low-key.
Ah,
Okay.
parang medyo science fiction. Ano.
Yun! Yun yung
Science
best sa akin.
fiction, yeah, that's good. I watched recently for the first time Andor. Panood yung Andor.
Ah, yeah,
Shit,
so,
Dude,
nakita ko yan.
that shit's good.
parang
Oo.
it's the, yun daw yung series ng Star Wars na
Oo.
napakaganda.
It's really good.
Star
Kasi
Wars
para siyang
siya.
dark
Yeah,
Star
yeah, yeah.
Wars. So parang usually ba Star Wars may pagka, you watch the movies, it has a family-friendly elements.
Pero it has
ito-
its own universe.
It's in that universe.
canon.
It's all
okay.
in that universe. Pero
Okay,
it's its
okay.
own, because
Parang nasa
it's
sub-genre
it's
siya
still
ng-
related to the larger arc, diba? Because it's about the same. If you watched ano yan? Rogue One.
Yes.
Diba? It's
Yeah.
about
I like that.
Yeah, so it's the prequel to Rogue One.
Rogue Zero.
Yeah, Rogue Zero, if you will.
Point
Yes.
five.
That's good kasi parang it blends like the dark, when I like dark thriller elements, mystery,
Pati mas
murder,
medyo siya eh, parang crime
Crime.
talaga.
crime noir.
Shit, feeling mo gusto.
Okay siya.
Oh, dude,
Kasi-
go lang.
Sobrang gusto ko yung dark eh. Napanood
Yeah.
yung dark?
Hindi ko napanood yung
Ay,
Dark.
gago.
Yung German. Is that the German
Yeah,
series?
parang siya, di ba?
For me, number
Thriller.
one
Ah.
time travel series/movie, wala akong pake of all time.
Oh.
Para sa kasi
Nice.
if gagawa sila ng extreme shit about time, as in time bending to its most extreme level, parang sila yung gumawa nun.
Okay.
Like yung anak nito, yung asawa nito, ganito pala and shit, and it goes, you know, it's on a loop.
Parang tatay niya pala sarili niya, mga ganun.
Anak niya pala yung asawa niya, mga
Anak niya
ganun.
asawa niya, puta na kadiri, pare.
Sabi niya, pero itay.
Itay or honey, ano bang, di ba?
Pareho silang, basta,
Maganda yung mga medyo ma-fuck up yung utak mo pagkatapos. Parang, ha? Tapos sa panoorin mo ulit, parang, okay.
gets.
Nice. So time traveling stuff.
Lahat ng time travel.
Did
Gusto
you
ko
like,
yung
Back to the Future?
Mirage. Back to the Future yung pinakapapanorin mong time travel pag bata ka pa eh.
Entry in yung
Pag ngayon ba, hindi mo
the
na siya.
gateway, time
Masyado siya
travel.
fun no?
Oo, masyado siyang so,
Nice.
Hindi, pero yung
masyado
Johnny
siyang
B.
Johnny B. Good.
hindi, parang, I think ang portrayal lang naman talaga sa Back to the Future, medyo fun siya dahil may mga scenes na ganun. Pero nakalimutan niya na gusto niya i-sexy Rani.
Yun talaga. Let's talk about that.
Let's talk about, Jad, ikaw magsimula nung...
Actually, I've never seen Back to the Future.
Oh, fuck. Here we go again.
Here we go.
Prepare to clip this.
Parang,
Bring it on.
Hindi, I
man.
don't think it's a necessary watch. Hindi siya parang Star Wars na kailangan mong mapanood.
Thank you.
If ganito ka
I think there's a
nakatanda.
necessary watch level to it.
Alaga?
For me, kasi parang...
I agree.
Kasi ano na yun parang pinag-usapan na namin ni Sarah yun parang one of the first, movies we'll show our child. Alam mo yun?
Ah,
It's on the list.
That's a good topic.
It's on the list.
yun pati on the job.
Oh, yeah. It's Back to the Future.
On the job. Ito yung masaya. Ito yung totoo.
Gusto mo ng mas totoo. Ito, Bagman.
Bagman.
Bagman. Ganda.
Pero, I agree.
Yeah, diba?
Na may levels na, kunyari,
Sorry, go
time
ahead.
travel. Kailangan mo makomprehend muna kung ano yung linear time travel theory.
Oh.
Kasi Back to the Future, linear siya eh. May
Yeah.
past, may present, may future. Pero meron tayong mga tinatawag na sub-branches.
Oh, the butterfly effect.
Low-key,
The
very low-key.
butterfly effect.
Mhm.
Pagka may change ka from the past.
Mag-branch pa.
Mag-branch.
If you move a chair lang in this timeline.
Hindi siya parang Back to the Future na parang things will fade things
Yeah.
will change around you.
Ang weird nun, tinitingnan niya yung picture, tapos parang, ba't nawawala ako?
I'm losing my head.
Diba?
Hindi na siya makapag-guitar.
So, what's your favorite X-Men movie, yung Days of Future Past? For me,
Actually, that's a good one.
for me,
good
that
one.
blew my
That's
mind.
a
Like,
good
galing,
one.
dude.
Number 1, Logan. Kasi naiyak ako dun.
Oh, yun.
Ayan.
Actually, ako, yun yung ano ko.
Days of
Kasi yung
Future Past.
preferred ko rin ng mga pinapanood ngayon is mga nakakaiyak.
Talaga.
I love a good cry.
It's a,
Okay, let's unpack that one.
Lalo na if it's rom-com.
hindi, ito kasi parang iniisip ko, hindi na ako naiiyak sa mga totoong bagay. Like, hindi na,
Feel.
oh, I need to feel. Like,
To feel
dati,
something.
pag nasasaktan ako, umiyak ako. Pero ngayon parang, empty lang ako.
Numb ba?
Hindi naman sa ganun. Pero, parang, mas may dating sa akin yung pag pinaramdam ka kaysa pinatawa ka. Sa mga ganong klaseng ano.
Okay.
Kasi, honestly, like, kailangan mo lang ng well-crafted joke para magpatawa. Pero pag gusto mo magpaiyak,
mas mahirap yun.
magbibuild ka ng something eh. Para worth it yung pag ano mo, di ba?
Oo nga, no?
Yung punchline mo, kailangan yung setup mo maganda sa pag-iyak.
Oh,
Parang
Yeah.
bibuild mo siya ng matagal, gano'n, di ba?
Parang siyang opposite of comedy, no? Like, parang, di ba comedy, the longer the joke is, the harder it is to be funny.
Oh, kasi kailangan mag-pepper in stuff in between
Yeah.
para mapatawa.
Pero feel ko for sadness, for crying, if it's short,
Ang laki
mahirap.
ng payoff eh.
Yeah.
Tsaka mahirap if it's short lang. Like,
Yeah.
how do you make someone cry in a 15...
Kailangan mag-invest eh sa situation or sa nangyayari. Nag-iisip ako nung pinanood ko recently na naiyak ako.
Yeah. I was
Pero
trying to think of
usually
that
mga
too.
K-drama na.
K-drama?
Oh, kasi
really?
ano eh, parang
Ang dami nagsasabi niya.
magaling din kasi sila medyo weird lang yung format. Like,
How so?
hindi siya kasi parang pag nanonood ka ng western series, ito ang dami mga slow-mo, mga like over the top siya, pero parang tayo na yung kwento niya. Relatable pa rin eh, di ba? Parang
Gets. So you want to feel stuff.
ganun. Oh, kuya pag nanonood ako ng anime, gusto ko malungkot.
Wait, so what K-drama made you cry?
What didn't, pare?
Yung huli ang Queen of
Touche.
Tears, I think.
Oh, well.
May mga ano.
Got the King of Tears over here.
Hey, grabe naman kayo.
Need a tissue?
Everybody. Hirap na pala maging sensitive ngayon, ha? Nandito pala ako sa room full of alpha.
Hindi, actually, itong room na to, Alexio, ito yung pinaka nagwe-welcome ng feeling.
Talaga?
Sensitive.
dapat.
Oh, sensitive guy din. Oh.
Muntik umiyak si James dito.
Oh,
no,
actually,
grabe.
bakit naupuan
Damn.
niya yung bayag niya?
Nice.
What is it with guys na pag nag-uusap about ano ba tawag doon? Parang
Yung feelings.
Sensitive stuff.
Oh,
Hey, man.
feelings.
Stuff.
Parang kailangan may punchline lagi.
Kasi ayaw mo maging hindi komportable yung mga ibang tao. Din.
But I'll go there if you want to go there.
Tara,
Kaya mo maging seryoso, Lilan. Kaya mo maging...
I like talking about sensitive
1
stuff.
minute of no,
For like, alam mo,
jokes.
I like, do you know,
Hirap eh. Kasi
does your-
komedyante rin tayo eh.
does your girlfriend have, parang, yung mga zodiac signs? Not just zodiac signs, but like, is she into astrology and all that stuff?
Like, does she believe?
Yeah, or just like,
Parang hindi.
not really.
Okay.
Naniniwala siya sa sa mga pairings.
Yeah.
Mga ganyan. Kung
Okay.
Aries,
Okay.
Cancer.
Because then there's like a next level.
Compatibility.
Yung mga
There's
ganyan.
the next level then na parang, I forget what it's called. Pero, yes, you have your zodiac sign, but you can also have parang like, what is your sun sign, your moon
Oh,
sign.
yeah.
yung
Right.
The
moon sign.
placement.
Yung mga rising.
Yeah,
planet.
moon rising, yeah. Basically, dalawa yung Cancer ko dun. I'm 2 Cancers out of 3.
Ooh.
Which makes me
damn.
like uber sensitive.
Oh, shit.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, kasi diba Cancers, that's their thing.
That's
They're
emotional,
They're known to be
ano,
emotional.
sign.
And I got
Right,
2.
right.
I got 2 out of 3
Nice.
Cancers.
Which ones
Congrats,
are
pare.
they?
Yeah, hell yeah.
Do you know
I
which ones are
think-
they? The sun, your
I
sun
forget.
sign.
It's basta it's 2 of them.
Oh, wait.
Damn.
Sorry, will know.
May isa pang mga ganyan, yung kay Ryan Rems, yung horoscope.
Horoscope to the world.
Totoo rin yata yun. Pero, why is it?
Yung bakit?
Ako din nakikita kita Alexio kanina nung sinasabi mo about feelings. Gusto mo na tinatimingan mo lang ng punchline. Hindi tayo makapag-settle na hindi ganun lang talaga nararamdaman natin.
The feeling ko kasi, ang nangyayari is, expected
Society.
na rin natin siya eh. Nagagawin natin. At this point, hindi na natin alam kung bakit natin siya ginagawa. Nangyayari na lang siya.
Nag-autopilot ka sa huli.
Oo. Diba? Kasi pag masyado ng totoo yung usapan, minsan di na siya masaya eh. Diba?
But that's the real world.
It's a scary part.
That's
yeah.
reality.
Oo nga, pero...
Oo.
Ba't ang bobo mo?
God.
Ito bro,
Got you, man.
real talk. Ako, like, so much in my life got easier when you get better at having hard talks.
Yeah.
Damn,
totoo
I
yan.
have to agree.
That's a bar, pa.
Ito
my
alam mo
God.
to sa
Quote
akin,
that
Ryan.
shit,
I
yeah.
get super anxious all the time.
Yeah, dude.
Like, parang, isa sa mga weaknesses ko, I think, talaga is being able to express myself openly sa ibang tao. Kaya,
Aw.
I think kaya binabawi ko siya sa...
Fucking
I'm being serious.
bearing his soul, Judge.
I'm being genuine here. But you guys think I'm making gago.
To be fair, genuinely niya talaga ginagawa yan.
Pero that's another thing, guys.
Hindi mo siya
think.
kailangan gawin out loud eh.
Pero that's the thing, no, guys think. If someone's being
Wait
genuine.
lang, hindi pa siya tapos.
Hindi. Parang may nilapitan ka ng namatayan tapos umiiyak lang siya tapos ikaw parang grabe no. Parang ganun yung nangyari. Hindi ako kasi, yung sinasabi ko, like,
Yeah.
I find it hard to open myself up to people. Lalo na kung hindi pa kami ganun ka-close. As with everyone naman. Kaya ako siguro binabawi with these things that make me feel more. Para mas maintindihan ko yung sarili ko at kung paano ko like ma-express yung sarili ko.
I agree.
Diba?
Kasi, to your point, may nangyari sa akin, siguro last year. Hindi ko, kasi tinanong mo kanina, ano ba nagpapaiyak sa'yo mga ganyang shit? Hindi siya mga nakakaiyak nung hindi siya Titanic. Laging, success story. Yung nagpapaiyak sa akin.
Yeah, pare. Mga pursuit of
Yes.
happiness.
Mga pursuit of happiness.
Same.
Success
Same.
story.
Nung nagka-clap siya sa dulo.
Tapos puro paint yung shoot niya.
Ako, iniisip ko lang doon, pucha, yung
Nasa street siya ng
nag-fix
ano.
siya ng Rubik's Cube tapos binayaran yung taxi niya tapos hindi niya makuha, pare.
Ang ina.
So,
Peak
parang,
Will Smith. Man. Peak Will Smith.
kasi
Yun
you know
tsaka I Am
na
Legend
it can happen to everyone
Yeah,
Na
I
parang,
agree, I
it's
agree.
real. Ito sobrang weird nito. Nag-Instagram ako, nakita ko Andrew Schultz. Tapos, pinost niya yung relationship niya sa dad niya. Sabi niya nung bata siya, sa dad niya, sabi niya, one day, pupunuin ko yung Madison Square Garden.
Napanood ko to.
Tapos, sabi ng dad niya, I'll be there when you do it. And then, finally, napuno niya yung Madison Square Garden twice. Punta siya. Tapos, yung tatay niya, nag-usap sila sa gitna ng Knicks, New York Knicks.
Sa stage.
Sa
diba?
stage mismo. Tapos sabi niya, you know what you told me when I was a kid, blah, blah, blah. Sabi niya, you'll be here, blah, blah, blah. And you're here. Tapos sabi niya, I don't remember that. Tapos umiyak sila. Tapos doon yung parang ako parang, damn. Like,
Kung kaya niya, kaya ko rin eh.
pag success story talaga, iba yung tama sa akin.
Gets ko rin.
An underdog story.
Yeah.
A good underdog story. Yeah.
Parang pinatunayan niyang
Yeah.
kaya niya.
Yung pag
Against
nag-push
all
through
odds.
nag-push through ka lang talaga. Kahit di mo na kaya. Grabe.
Kaya favorite movie ko ever, pare, no joke, The Martian, pare.
The Martian.
I fucking love The
Matt
Martian.
Damon?
Oh, dude.
With the plants.
Yeah.
The potato.
Yeah, Sari makes fun of me all the time na I have to watch it like once a half a year. Like by annual watch ko yun.
Sobrang lungkot.
I'll
nun
get you.
Hindi kaya!
Is it not?
No, I think it's
Mas malungkot pa Interstellar.
I think
for
it's
sure.
a story of perseverance, to be honest.
Kasi mag-isa siya, tapos nagtatanim siya ng plants.
Pero pare, against all odds.
right.
Mag-isa
Underdog pa
nagtatanim
rin.
ng plants. Ginagawa yan ng mga magsasaka natin. pare.
Pero with his own
Nagising sila ng alas 4 ng umaga ba?
But were they on Mars?
Para magtanim.
Actually, ang laki factor nga na mag-isa lang talaga siya.
Ang laki nun eh.
Uh,
It's not like sa QC lang siya mag-isa. Sa
Yeah.
Mars siya
That's a Marche.
sa buong Mars eh. Di ba?
Oo. Tapos may robot lang siya, di ba?
Ako, even if the underdog story is animated, I cry. Like
Yeah.
Kung Fu Panda.
Oh.
Umiyak ka sa first Kung Fu Panda.
I think so. Tsaka yung second one. But
Tsaka
I
third,
think
lahat ng Kung Fu Panda na.
I haven't watched the third yet. Pero, yeah. Pero I feel like that's the pinaka-emotional one nga kasi may
That's
family aspect na yun. Pero,
Yeah.
ayun.
Yung mga
Cartoons.
animated kasi designed
I
talaga.
mean,
Paiyakin ka
obviously.
Like yung vision nila para paiyakin ka,
Yeah.
nare-realize eh.
Yeah.
Yung Inside Out pare si si Ding Dong. Ang pangalan nun?
Sino
What?
Ding Dong?
Yung elephant.
Si Bing Bong wala.
Yung elephant
Si
guy.
Bing Bong.
Dong po sa Ding Dong dati sinisip ko yun. Hindi, pero yun, yung elephant, yung parang imaginary friend.
Tapos nag-sacrifice siya.
O
diba?
sinacrifice sa sarili niya, parang putang ina.
Yeah. Those type of stories.
Yun yung gusto nilang mangyari, nangyari
Yeah.
lang eh. Diba?
Yeah.
Fuck Pixar.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I think I have a clear memory of crying dun sa Toy Story 3 ata. Yung parang...
Yung naghawak-hawak kami sila?
Sa incinerator sila. I was like, this is it!
Ang dark eh.
Dark eh.
Mamamatay
Parang
na sila.
They were accepting their demise. As
Kasi
toys.
back against the wall na eh.
Oo eh.
Alam mo yung
Doon na,
nakakainis
I shed a
doon?
tear there.
Ang daming ginawa ni Buzz Lightyear sa part 1. Yung mga nag-ikot-ikot siya. Hindi niya nagawa eh. Yung time na yun eh.
Nah.
Pero yeah, ready na umiyak yung mga tao sa sinehan nun. Nakaganon siya.
You've got friends.
Basta sa isip ko, hindi! Pixar to eh! Hindi nila papatayin tong mga
Sila yung gumagawa ng mga faking bloopers pagkatapos ng movie.
Favorite ko yun sa Toy Story 2.
Tsaka sa
Toy Story. Monsters, Inc. Maganda yung sa Monsters, Inc.
Maganda yung sa Monsters, Inc. Ang real din ng topics ng Pixar eh. Like,
Yeah.
what's the one where, is it Jamie Foxx? The one?
Yung Soul?
Was
Oh,
Is that
yeah.
Pixar?
Yeah. Yeah.
J.
I mean,
Fox yun
heavy,
yata.
di ba?
Oo.
Heavy
Yun na-
stuff.
Hindi ko napanood yun.
Toy Story 4, it's about the existentialism na. Like, what's my purpose in life?
Yeah.
If I'm not a toy.
That's
ganun.
right.
Damn, that's crazy. Hindi ko talaga na-expect from Toy Story 1 na aabot siya doon.
Oo eh.
Sa point na ko-questionin nila yung
Oo, eh.
existence nila.
Parang nagka-Fast and the Furious level of ano
Jumping the shark talaga eh, no?
Di ba? Parang, teka lang, mga car bandits lang kayo. Bakit naging kayong international spies?
Yun yung favorite kong observation eh. Na parang, tangina nitong si Ludacris dati, may-ari ka lang ng talyer eh. Tapos ngayon, ikaw yung elitist hacker ng team.
At what point nangyari yun?
Siya lang yung hacker na naka-braids.
Pagdating ng 5, pagdating ng 5.
With the helicopters.
Kasi yung
and
4,
Ano yung 4?
medyo stupid yun with yung underground tunnels.
Underground tunnel.
Medyo
yung
stupid
five.
kasi.
Fast 5 si The Rock na.
sa Brazil
Doon
na sila.
That's when it shut up.
Yun yung parang tipong yung nagsapakan sila ng 15 minutes ni Vin Diesel. Tapos
I am
walang
the
nanalo.
cavalry.
Kago, yung favorite ko, sa pinaka-opening ng Fast 5, sa opening niya, yung pinaka-unang dialogue na bibitaw ni The Rock. Makita mo siya. Kasi parang ni-rob yung train. Tapos biglang si The Rock lalabas. Ganun siya. Hawakan niya yung pintuan. Plasma cutters. Parang puta ina, alam mo? Gago ka ba? Di ba pulis ka? Hindi ko alam kung anong trip nila dun eh.
Ano din yung favorite nating line yung you know I like my
You know I like my vegetables first.
yung parang boss, you want the good news or the bad news?
You know. Parang bakit mo kailangan mag-quip every time?
Sobrang snarky.
Yun yung napansin namin, like kami ni Andrew lagi namin pinag-uusapan kasi nanood kami ng Hobbs and Shaw together. Yung Hobbs and Shaw, may mga scenes doon na mag-isa lang si The Rock. Wala siyang kasama. Hindi niya kasama si Jason Statham. Pero bigla siyang pumapunchline.
Mag-isa?
O mag-isa siya, pare.
It's always on
Ginagawa
eh.
niya para sa amin. Yun
Yeah.
yung...
Ang pinakagusto kong scene sa lahat ng Fast and the Furious, yung kainan sa huli. yung barbecue.
Yung
These scenes?
tapos na yung gulo. Pwede na tayong mag-corona.
Yun yung,
Dan sa
para siyang
pintura.
San Mig like commercial lagi eh.
Yeah, dude, that's the fun.
Basta kasama ang pamilya, haba-habang inuman.
Kulang na lang mag-end siya na nag-cheer sila eh.
Corona with lime.
Grabe.
With lemon pala.
Love a good Corona with lime.
But like what you said kanina about you already know, or you're talking about what movies will show
Yeah,
your
for sure.
kid. How about you guys? Like, what's the first TV show or movies
TV
you'd show
show?
if you had a kid? Parang ganun.
Ikaw.
Yung parang necessary watch nga talaga, no? Yung mga kailangan mong mapanood. Wait, series yung episode.
Series?
Gawin nyo
Series
ng
na lang.
movies and series siguro.
Sige.
Yun na yun
Yeah.
eh.
Movies
Punta na
and
tayo dun.
series.
Nag-evolve na.
Feel ko big deal yung first thing you'll show your kid because it might kind of shape who they are.
I mean, if we're talking what first things we'll show, then are we talking about like kiddie shows?
di
or are we
pa-
talking about like parang when they're of age?
Yung alam na nila, aware
Papunta na sila sa kumbaga,
Nag-graduate na sila sa Blue's
dinedevelop mo na yung taste nila.
Gagawin ko siguro yung ginawa sa akin ng tatay ko.
Ooh.
Pinapanood niya ako ng a lot of Hong Kong action films.
Oh,
growing
seryoso
up.
ba?
Yeah, dude.
Oh.
Then, mga
Naturally.
yung mga Hong Kong action films na
Donnie Yen?
mga Donnie Yen,
Which,
ganun.
Who
Pero
played,
yung mga
played a blind man twice.
Totoo.
Successive
He
movies.
Si
He
Ip Man
did.
yun, di ba?
Si Ip Man.
marami siyang pinapanood sa akin pero favorite ko pa rin. Like, one of my favorite movies of all time, yung Infernal Affairs.
Hong
I don't
Kong
know if, it's
movie.
Hong Kong gangster film. And,
The Departed.
yeah, it's The Departed,
Yeah.
basically. Ni-remake siya ni Martin Scorsese into The Departed.
The Departed.
Napanood niyo yung The Departed, di
The
ba?
Departed.
Napanood niyo na, di ba? Napanood mo na The
naman.
Departed?
Sorry.
Nandun
Oh my
si,
God.
ano eh.
Hindi mo mapanood. Okay na, parang may
si-
Infernal
Actually,
Affairs.
I would want to if it were on like Netflix or it's
It's
not on anywhere.
Wala siya.
Leo yun, di ba?
I would watch
Oh,
it.
Leo, Matt Damon,
Matt Damon.
Mark Wahlberg.
Lahat na
May
magkakamukha.
Michael Sheen pa dun eh.
Well, your dad's so cool. Like, he's kind of quirky that he showed you Hong Kong films.
Ay,
Ang weird nun
sobrang-
sinabi mo lang na quirky yung tatay ko eh.
sobrang agree ako kay Alexio kasi I think same thing happened to
Oh,
me.
diba?
Dad ko yun, unang nag-shape ng sense of humor ko, at least adult.
Nakatulong eh, diba?
Oo, yung development ng cognitive faculty siguro.
Tatay mo rin. Naalala ko kinukwento mo sa akin yun.
Rush
gago.
Hour.
Rush Hour
Ah.
1 and 2.
Oh.
The best.
Not 3, pare.
3 kasi, it came
bits,
after eh.
May bits lang na nakakatawa. Pero hindi siya...
Oh,
lagi natin ginagawa, kinukut lang na.
Kinukot lang namin
May isang
randomly.
May isang gabi yun.
I do love
Dire-diretso lang tayo sa lines, tapos parang, grabe, napaka-memorable talaga ng
Memorable
movie.
talaga yung
Kasi
Rush Hour.
lahat eh.
No skip.
Diba?
Oh.
So, sa
Yun, napanood
akin,
mo pareho.
I agree na parang
Yeah.
yung unang ipapanood sa'yo ng parents mo, magkakaroon siya ng malaking effect sa mga magugustuhan mo after. Kasi Harry Potter sa akin and Rush Hour eh. Yun lang yung naaalala ko eh.
Kaya ka pala Potterhead ngayon.
Oh.
Is that why you're wearing fake glasses?
Oh.
It's not fake.
Oh, sorry.
Kailangan niya salamin ba?
Oculus Reparo.
Yung,
Diba?
yung dad ko rin yung nagpakita sa akin ng stand-up for the first time. Eh. So,
Same.
di ba, parang, alam niya yung ginagawa niya. No?
He
Tataka siya,
knows.
ba't di ako naging
Yeah.
doktor? Kasalanan mo to eh.
Gumagana siya habang nanonood ko.
Sige, panoorin mo yung Rex na Barreto na. Okay. Oh, tapos sabihin mo sa akin, mag-doktor ako? Bakit? Wala ka naman pinakitang video ng mga doktor eh.
Oo nga. Pinanood mo ba ako ng Scrubs?
Nung pinapanood niyo ako ng Grey's Anatomy, natakot lang ako eh. Ganito ba sa ospital?
Kung pinanood niyo
Pressure
ako
lang,
ng
tsaka
House.
sex?
Yeah, dude, they just have sex in between lang, ano? How to save a life.
may maganda scene doon talaga sa Grey's Anatomy, yung parang si Jeffrey Dean Morgan.
Jeffrey D. Morgan.
Siya yung ano, nanonood ka bang Grey's Anatomy?
Pero I
Pinanood
stopped
ever
sa
yun.
mga middle season.
Nasa season 1 or season 2.
Ah, okay.
Si Jeffrey Dean Morgan tsaka si Easy, yung doktor niya.
Si Catherine Heigl.
Oh, na-in love siya sa pasyente niya, di
Ah,
ba?
yeah.
And then siya rin yung rason kung ba't namatay yung pasyente.
Ah, yeah, man.
Didn't watch that, sorry.
Okay.
But sounds
Wala.
interesting.
Hindi ko rin napanood.
May ano lang talaga ako. May time din na parang tayo na mahilig lang ako sa mga Shonda Rhimes na series. Diba?
Okay.
Nanood ba kayo ng-
Shondaland, pa.
Shondaland, diba? Shonda Rhimes.
Give me that Shondaland.
Si ano, nanood ba kayo ng How to Get Away with Murder?
I did.
Ah, siya yun. Okay.
Ako
It was
yung
interesting.
first 2 seasons.
I just know that
tinuloy ko
she's
lang.
white.
Is she?
Is she white?
Like, pag naisip
Ayoko
ko yung
maging
pangalan
ano
na-
eh. Ayoko maging judgmental eh. Kaya,
Parang na-imagine ko maliit siya na, ano eh,
Shonda.
Shonda Rhimes.
Shonda, mag-leonis ka na.
Nasulat
Wala-
pa ako
parang
ng
halin.
series.
Manood pa ako ng series. Shonda.
Nice.
Enjoy mo ba
Ano
yun?
sa'yo?
Yeah. Ako pa, series for sure, Modern Fam.
Grabe.
show your
I
kid.
fucking love
For sure.
Modern Family.
Oh,
I
family
hate
friendly.
It's
then.
so good.
Yeah, dude.
I'm gay.
Yeah.
No, you're not.
I hate
You're just confused.
Vietnam.
I think I've rewatched it maybe 3 times now.
The whole
Yeah, front to back.
Favorite,
Yeah,
favorite
I'll come
din ni
back to
Kobe
that.
yan.
Modern
Talaga?
Fam?
Brian.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, di ba lumabas siya sa Modern
Rest in peace,
Family?
Mamba.
Talaga ba?
Oh, lumabas siya sa Modern Family, di ba?
Yes.
Oh,
Sa
shit.
Parang Lakers game.
Yes.
Gumising
Yeah,
yata
dude.
siya doon 4 a.m. doon.
Sobrang
Para manood ng Modern Family.
sharp writing. Sobrang underrated yung writing dun. It's so
Sobrang
good.
lovable din ang
So good.
characters.
Character development. With a lesson at the end.
Oh,
Oh, yeah,
siguro,
there's always a lesson or something.
siguro nasa top 3
always a hard-
characters ko si
Oh,
Phil. Of all time. Lahat ng series.
Speaking of top
Yeah, dude.
3, andito na tayo
Hey!
sa
Oh.
tinatawag naming segment na Who's on your list?
Who's on your
on your list,
list?
Okay.
Yun ba yung team song?
Oh,
Yeah, that's the soundbite.
Yun yung soundbite.
Alright,
So sa
let's
Who's
do it.
on your list, we talk about top 3 everything.
Alright,
Pero
it's gonna be
since
juicy.
Let's do it.
we're talking about movies and series, ito gawin nating medyo interesting. Top 3 movies/series of all time.
Oh.
So,
So,
pwede, halo
This is
siya.
hard, this is hard.
Hirap nun ah.
This is
Mahirap
hard,
talaga.
Gabo.
Mm.
Are you gonna go for 2 series and 1 movie or other way around?
Hindi, dapat halo. Ayoko ng
okay.
ano eh.
Sa'yo muna Ryan.
Wait, so parang, hold on.
Yeah.
We're going, so either series or movie, basta top 3 piece of
Yes.
content.
Imagine if,
Within those 2 boundaries.
buong buhay mo, manonood ka lang ng 3 movies/series of all
Or
time.
maybe you could make it like something that you best
Are
best
series
represents
grouped
you.
together or standalone? Kunyari, the Fast and the Furious franchise.
Parang ganun.
Naka-group sila.
Okay.
Okay.
Counted as
Counted
franchise.
siya. Harry Potter lang.
Alright.
Harry Potter.
Number one, or like,
Ooh.
in no particular order. John Wick franchise.
Ooh!
I did not
Out of
expect
nowhere!
that.
Dude, John Wick is
Alam mo yung-
top tier.
Alam mo yung
pare.
maganda sa John Wick?
John Wick.
Kung pinanood mo siya, yung una nung hindi pa siya hype,
Oh.
ginawa ko yun,
Because you
man.
didn't know eh.
No one knew.
No one knew what it was gonna be.
I feel sorry for people na nanood ng John Wick nung lumabas na yung John Wick 2.
That was part of the parang so unassuming. They're like, it's Keanu.
I'll give it a
Seems
watch.
Cool, I'll give it a watch. And then you're like, what the fuck is this?
Alam mo,
Sobrang angas.
for some reason, di ko alam if memory serves me right. Medyo kasi sabay lumabas yung John Wick 2, pati Knock Knock. Di ba? Ay, sorry, John Wick 1.
Mapabook niya yun, di ba?
Oh,
Sa Knock
pareho
Knock.
yung setup eh. Mag-isa siya sa bahay.
Oh.
Yung John Wick, pinatay yung aso niya, di ba?
Oh.
Yung sa Knock Knock, may kumatok
May
na, mga binibining.
Mga binibini.
okay.
Naulan eh.
Naulan. Oo,
eh.
Sa Laguna, ganun eh. So,
Tapos yung bahay, medyo similar yung itsura eh, no?
oo, parang pareho ng ng...
Yung difference lang
Yung
is may
set.
backyard siya eh. Hindi, pero yung maganda dun sa John Wick na una, lalo na kung pinanood mo siya without like knowing at all, parang sobrang stylized niya.
Stylized.
Like, tapos yung pangalan niya, John Wick, ano to?
Oh. Tsaka, what did they term it? Gun fu, pare.
Gun fu? Parang
first.
equilibrium.
they were the first.
They coined it. Gun
I
Fu?
think they pioneered
Pangalawa siya.
Because it was the first action movie where it was more precision based. Kasi diba sometimes you watch an action movie, it's guns blazing eh.
Yeah.
Ito talagang psh.
Parang it gives a sense
All
of
heads.
Tsaka
realism.
nakaganon siya eh.
Oh, eh.
Like, who shoots like this?
Nagre-reload siya para tapos napapagod siya.
Sa LA, nakaganyan lang.
Oh.
Parang nauna ata yung equilibrium ni
Oo.
ni Christian Bale, pero like more popular talaga ang John Wick. Na like ang ahas niya na talaga.
And I think it inspired a whole parang yung revenge movie storyline.
Totoo, ang dami.
Now there's nobody.
Parang resurgence ng ano eh.
You know, like everything I think started from John Wick. That parang runaway freight train.
Nobody.
Nothing's gonna stop me.
May isa pa eh.
storyline.
Girl siya.
Yeah,
Atomic
Atomic Blonde.
Blonde,
Everything followed after John Wick, I think.
Ano yung babae na
Ballerina.
hindi,
Ay.
ni-rape siya, binugbog
I
siya.
spit on your grave. Di ba?
Hindi.
Revenge.
Na-stuck siya sa
rape, ano
desert. Tapos binalikan niya yung mga nanggago sa kanya.
Nakalimutan ko yung
that sounds
mga.
familiar.
Revenge? Yun yata yung title?
Grabe.
Straight up just revenge.
I think Revenge.
Tungkol saan yung movie na to?
the desert.
Naghiganti siya eh.
Do you remember the star?
It was a blondie. Nakalimutan ko kung sino.
think I-
But it was a
Parang
good watch.
yung kwento niya is parang, uy, party tayo sa, ano, diba? Parang ganun,
Ganun
diba?
ba?
Tapos dinrug siya, diba? Tapos
Sounds
left her for
familiar.
dead.
Sounds
Parang
familiar.
ganun.
Yeah.
Tapos binawian niya lahat.
Yes.
Yan.
Anyway, ano yung iba? John Wick?
John
How
Wick.
about we go down? Let me think about that now.
It's hard,
Go down the
How about
line.
you, Alexio?
Fuck.
Snake natin to.
Ano nga ba? Sa list ko, isa siguro sa mga pinaka na-enjoy kong series. I'll go TV series on this one. Hirap nga.
Shake, rattle, and roll.
Blues Clues.
Iniisip ko kung ano yung nag-form ng community. Yan.
Good choice.
It's
Good
something na,
Childish Gambino.
like pinanood ko siya weekly when it was coming out, lalo na
Yeah.
season 1. Kasi yung tatay ko, sabi niya, uy, panoorin natin to.
Okay,
Like nakita niya yung teaser ata dati.
Those first 2 seasons,
Yeah.
top tier.
Totoo eh. Like, yung dad ko kasi is like a big SNL fan. So nakita niya, uy, si Chevy Chase is in this.
A stylish man yung daddy mo.
Oo nga.
He got that slick back hair.
Meron siyang ano eh, parang medyo fit Joel Torre
Oo eh.
appearance
Where's
eh.
that tight button down?
JT's.
JT's eh, no? Pero siya yung manok. Hindi,
That's your father you're talking about.
hindi naman niya papakinggan to eh.
Sir, Tito.
Ano, Loki, solid yung JT's pinangat.
Oh, yung Pinangat par. Sobrang fan ako ng Pinangat in general. Kasi ano lang siya eh. Laing lang siya na elevated.
Na-cube.
Okay.
Okay.
Anyway.
May
Community.
like community kasi like ngayon, if you watch it now, you could just jump into any episode.
Yeah.
Meron mga episode na syempre interconnected, like may overarching plot, pero yung ano niya like na-impress ako sa writing, especially when it comes to like yung mga super quick jokes. Minsan
Yeah.
di mo nga mapapansin na may joke eh.
Yeah.
Dadaan lang tapos parang ikaw, di ba?
Oo.
Rewind ka on, tapos parang, ay.
Tsaka their level of parody. Like yung paintball episode,
Yeah.
all-timer. Yung ano.
I'd say, yun nga eh. No? Parang kung hindi ka mahilig sa Community before, after mo panoorin yun, parang galing, ang galing.
Tsaka like every now and then,
Russo
I
brothers yun.
honestly still think about the Greendale human being.
Oo nga eh, parang
I still think about that stupid mascot.
nireveal nila babae na sa loob.
Really?
Sorry,
Parang
hindi ko to
hindi na
alam.
siya as
Yung
creepy.
Greendale, yung hindi ba yung
Yun yung mascot ng
gumawa
school.
silang mascot sa school
Okay.
pero they wanted to make sure it was parang
Parang acceptable for
acceptable
everyone.
for all races. Gumawa
Kaya
sila-
green.
Oh,
Hindi siya green.
Greendale was the name of the school.
Okay.
So yung mascot nila, human being, a very nondescript human being.
Parang nakasuot siya ng puti na lycra suit.
Oo.
Yung alam mo yung mga bodysuit na ano, mga filthy frank na
Okay.
ganun.
Yung latex
Tapos may
lang.
latex na pangtakip sa mukha. Tapos may paint on na itim na nakakatakot.
Para walang ma-offend. White people, black people will
Okay.
accept this human being.
Tapos yung school flag nila, anus eh. Diba?
Good stuff.
Maganda, like ang daming jokes na maganda. Like yun nga, jumping into any episode. Ako favorite episode ko dun yung ano, yung Pillow Fort documentary.
Yes.
It's a
Have
two-part.
you watched Community?
I tried, pero
Hindi siya for everyone. Like
Yeah.
medyo quirky siya eh.
kasi okay,
May buy-in.
pag nanonood kasi ako ng series, I make sure na I have time. Kasi ayoko na rarush ko siya. Yung parang, hindi, panoorin ko na isa ngayon, tapos panoorin ko mamaya. Gusto ko parang, I have all the time in the world. Kasi gusto ko mag-binge eh.
Yeah.
Gets.
Right.
Ayoko yung babalikan ko, mawawala yung momentum. ganun.
Yeah.
Yun nangyari sa akin sa Dexter. No, don't Dexter.
Ayun,
yan.
putang ina, isa pa yun.
Never
Goated.
Laboratory?
It's super funny.
Okay. Funny.
Si Didi?
Sana.
Didi pare?
Si Didi, si Major Glory. Di ba?
Si Monkey? Si
Major
Monkey?
glory.
Yung Dexter, like, eto, ano na to hindi, wala siya sa top 3 ko. Na-bring up ko lang siya. Pero, more comedy than ano siya eh.
Oo.
Sobrang laugh
Really?
trip ng
Okay.
Dexter.
Ganda na script eh.
Oh, ganda na
Okay.
script.
Okay.
Laugh trip talaga siya.
Yun yung
You should-
ano
you
eh.
should give it a watch.
Sige.
Yun yung original you eh.
Yung first episode ng Dexter, nahook ako agad. Parang, gago, sobrang nakakatawa talaga itong serial killer na to.
Okay. Sige. Give it a chance.
Ikaw, Jud.
I have to go with favorite series, Parks and Rec.
Parks and Rec,
Ooh,
yeah.
good
Parks and Rec.
choice.
Ano,
Good
lahat ng
choice.
sinabi nyo, hindi ko pa pinapanood.
Hindi ka rin ng Parks and Rec. Okay lang. Like, yung thing kasi is...
You can skip season 1.
Yes, kasi season 1 was
Oh,
kind
Parks
of
and Rec?
Yeah.
It was a little dragon.
I don't know. Super draggy. They didn't find their voice yet.
Yeah,
Masyado
they
sila-
tweaked Amy
tweaked
Poehler's
a lot.
character.
Masyado
yeah,
sila
a bit.
nakafocus sa whole. eh.
Yeah, I think they found their stride season 2 onwards. And it's like, this is good shit.
But yeah, that's when I realized, because I came from The Office, when watching The Office, and technically I think Office has more snappier jokes, or at least more jokes per minute. But what I loved about Parks and Rec was it had that heart. Parang you also loved the goodness of the characters. Like,
Ano
some-
siya, very earnest kasi si Amy Poehler.
Yeah, parang
Yeah.
she just believed in the good of people. And then it's funny too, so parang
Yeah, no, it's super funny.
it shaped my, I think it... I
It's a good
resonated.
one, bro.
You should, medyo
Pero
mahaba
again,
lang siya
it's
ngayon.
not on any streamer right now.
Wala tayong
Yun yung isa
Peacock.
pa eh. Parang accessibility rin eh. Ako, I have top 3.
Yan.
As in,
Kasi
kompleto
ako
ka
yung
na?
pinaka nakapag-isip sa
Okay.
lahat. Umikot na
do
eh.
it, let's do
Sige,
it.
sige.
Before bumalik sa inyo,
Sige,
top
sige.
3 ko. Una, Rush Hour talaga.
Rush Hour.
Okay.
I love Rush Hour.
Hey.
Fucking Rush
Sobrang
Hour.
quotable.
Yeah.
Oo.
Yeah.
The Brothers.
Brothers. Hindi niya kailangan sabihin.
Twisting Tiger. Where did you learn that?
Oh man.
Anyway,
What an era.
Rush Hour, dark
Okay, dark.
series.
Okay.
And third, hindi ko kasi alam kung pwede ko na siya ilagay kasi hindi pa siya tapos eh. Pero I super like the concept of From.
From?
Yung series na From.
Ano yun?
It took inspiration sa Lost
Okay.
na
Okay.
series. Pero yung concept ng From, nasa season 3 na yata sila or 4. Pero inihintay ko na lang. Every once a week ko siyang binibring up sa girlfriend ko. Rinding din na ako. Ay, rinding din na siya. Parang, yung From is, nagkaroon lahat ng, baka ma-spoil ko eh. So,
Kahit yung premise
may isang
lang.
community.
Top line.
Nagda-drive yung isang family. Tapos may nakita silang tree na nakabaksak. Kasi malaking branch ng tree nakabaksak. So, stop sila. Tingin sila sa tree. May nakita silang crow. Welcome to Pampanga! So, sabi yung guy, si Boyd, the black guy, sige, pasok tayo ulit sa kotse. And then, nag-turn around sila. Turning around, paulit-ulit na sila sa loop. Paulit na, there's a tree again. Paulit-ulit silang ganun. Hanggang sa makakita sila ng community. So, community na yun, alam na ng mga tao na nakita nila yung tree. Kasi once you see that tree,
Hindi ka na makakita.
hindi ka na makakalabas.
You're stuck.
You're
ganda.
stuck there.
Hindi pa siya tapos?
Yun yung first, medyo dual concept kind of thing siya. Yung catch is, pagpagabi na, merong mga human-like monsters na aatake sa bahay nyo. Gets?
Parang nakita ko na to.
Pero,
Okay.
hindi sila mabilis. Naglalakad sila like people. Like, hi, how are you?
Oh gosh. That's unsettling.
yeah.
So human.
Hindi ako yung mga ganun.
Oo, kasi baka mamaya yung
chilling.
kausap mo, ganun din.
Oo, yun pa.
Yeah.
Naglalakad lang sila. Ganyan. Tapos meron silang mga tinatawag na talisman or something. Nilalagay mo sa door mo para hindi sila makapasok.
American series pa to.
American series.
Is this on Netflix?
Hindi pa siya tapos.
Di pa.
Where that? Where can I watch
Yeah.
Nasa Peacock yata or Apple.
it? Okay.
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 Yung
It's accessible.
medyo
Okay,
mahirap nga i-rank no kasi hindi pa siya tapos eh. Paano
Yun
kung yung
nga
ending niya nakaspread lang yung puwet niya tapos nakatapat sa camera?
Parang Game of Thrones. Di ba, a lot of people didn't like the ending.
Yeah.
It was so rushed, dude.
Di tayo pumasok sa office dun para sa...
That shit was rushed.
Oh shit.
Parang after like X number of seasons of pacing yourself,
Oo.
biglang,
Sorry for the spoiler, pero hindi deserve nung
Sorry,
death
guys.
nung Night King agad eh.
Oo, ang grabe yung build-up mo.
Tapos, ang move na ginawa niya is something na hindi naman niya ginawa.
ano yung part na yun, yung parang nag-aaway sila sa staircase. Tapos
Ganun.
si Daenerys ba yun? Yung parang dumaan lang sa
Si
Sino
si
ba yun?
Cersei.
Si Cersei, yung
Yung
parang,
parang, okay, I
Sorry,
can't
guys.
be here for Clegane Bowl.
Oo eh.
Sige,
Let me
guys,
just walk past
magkasapakan
this.
kayo. Mauna na ako.
Parang, I have to go to the other storyline eh.
Hindi siya. Sobrang, ang ganda-ganda-ganda nung,
sobrang
nung
ganda.
setup mo. Tapos,
Yeah.
ina-ins talaga ako nung binitawan yung, tapos sinaksak niya
Sinaksak, parang,
Ako favorite episode in just yung Game of Thrones, the fucking when Cersei blew up the when she killed the Tyrells.
oo.
And what was the name of that structure? Basta that parang church type place. So when she blew that up, yung
And
parang you
it was all green.
It was all green. Yung parang you knew something was happening, and biglang before you knew it, she just blew it off. And then yung the period at the end when her son just commits suicide. He just
Eh, tumalon
falls
siya eh.
out. He's just like no hesitation.
Wild.
Darkest scene of Game of Thrones yun sa akin.
So on that episode,
Kasi
was
hindi
like,
sila nag-cutaway eh. Pinakita nila kung paano gumanon eh.
Yan yung peak.
Parang Red Wedding, di ba?
Yeah.
Red Wedding, isa pa yun eh.
Yeah.
Ay, sinaksak yung
Sinaksak yung buntis eh, ng maraming beses. Para sure. Di
Tapos
ba?
nakagano na siya.
Anong ginagawa mo?
Anong ginagawa mo?
Yeah.
Gusto mo maramdaman yung sipa? Di ba?
Pwede mo hawakan lang. Ba't mo sinaksak? Ayan.
Wild. Ang
wala
daming
nang
magandang episodes like, in a Battle of the Bastards. Sa pa yun.
Oh yeah, for sure.
What a sequence, dude.
Yeah.
That's Game of Thrones too?
Yeah.
Hindi ko ba
Hindi ka ba nanonood ng Game of
eh?
Thrones?
My mom keeps telling me to, but
Ba't hindi ka na,
Your
Jan, ba't di ka
mom-
nakikinig sa nanay mo?
Oo nga eh.
Mas patuloy mo yung nanay mo, Jan.
Mother.
keeps telling me to. I watched the first 2 episodes.
Na.
Pretty long.
At this point though,
Dude.
parang yung buy-in eh.
Yung first
Like yung
episode
first 2
na,
seasons, the work you gotta put in.
It's not
Yeah.
that easy to watch, but yung
I
first
mean,
2.
at the start,
Kaya
fucking-
pala.
it takes
Okay,
a
I'm not
while.
weird pala.
fucking weak shit
It
pa kasi
does.
si Jon Snow nun eh.
it does take a while. Oh, eh.
They keep talking about dogs. Like what?
Pinag-uusapan na pala natin tapos di pa niya napapanood. Tapos balak pala niyang panoorin.
No, I heard about
Sorry.
the Red Wedding na. Like, oh, there's this guy
yeah.
like
Wait,
Justin Bieber.
Gusto ko malaman, sorry. Kanina pa ako nangangati. Gusto ko malaman top 3 movies.
Okay.
Movies na lang muna.
Sige.
Alright.
A quick round.
Okay.
Ikaw, Ryan.
Sige. I had movie ready.
Alright.
Ocean series.
Uy, so...
Wow!
11, 12, 13. And you know what? I liked 8. It was fun. It was
I-
fun.
That's
I-
one with the
But
women.
11 and 13, you know, tops.
Oh,
Really
I
good.
recently watched yung 11 and 12. It's parang, galing talaga.
Sobrang ganda talaga.
Yung walking walk and
that.
talk, tapos yung
Oo.
building of the scenes.
Favorite ko talaga yung ganong formula.
Mga
Parang
heist yun, di ba?
Heists are good, yeah.
heist,
Forming the
masaya,
team.
forming the team. Fun,
Favorite na rin yung forming
love
the
that
team
shit.
eh.
Fun payoff.
Ako
So
si
gusto mo rin yung
Aquafina.
Now You See Me?
Oh yes. Which by the way, it's coming out now. You 3 me.
Oh, now you don't.
What the fuck?
Ngayon lang sila now you don't.
That's the
Oh, wait.
title.
Actually, you know what? We have serious discussions about this. Because now they called it Now You See Me, Now You Don't. They should have named the second
The second
movie
one.
that.
Tapos ngayon yung now you
Now
three.
You
Parang
Don't.
ngayon, Now You 3 Me.
Wala
Oh.
eh. Wala
Pero
eh.
ngayon,
Nakita ko na yung trailer eh. Di ba Now You See Me? Tapos yung C magiging 3.
Oh. Tapos parang lahat ng tao sa sinehan pag nakita yung trailer, putang ina, oo nga eh. No?
Dude. Yes.
Si Mike
yes.
Tyson ba
Love that.
Now You See.
nag-title? Now You See Me.
Oo, pare. Maganda ko
Now You See
nandun
Me.
si Mike Tyson. Siya yung next na ano nila, na mark nila.
I want to see the magic.
It's also starring Coco Martin, by the way.
Ooh.
May...
Ako wala akong tinatamaan local just in case.
Kasi,
Na,
ano,
it's a, it's a business
abot,
eh.
abot sila eh.
I can say that I have a lisp.
May theory din kami ni Sari na you can make any hit movie if you complete the sentence, The Bad Boys of Blank.
Oo, pare.
Any great movie, yan, The Bad Boys of Magic, Now You See Me. The Bad Boys of, I don't know, of car racing.
Di ba
Big
the
hobby.
Bad Boys of Magic ay si
Anything.
Slick Rick, Tony, at Samoy
Bad Boys of Radio.
Hindi na, pare.
Hindi na.
Ay.
There's a new
Like
show
last
in town.
night out na
Yeah,
sila
yeah,
eh.
May pare.
Ano ba? Like, let's test that.
Much
The Bad
love
Boys
though,
of ano?
to BNO.
The Bad Boys
Yung
of...
lagi
Anything.
sinasabi ni Andren,
Anything.
The Bad Boys of Comedy Podcast. Napaka-specific eh.
Diba?
Yeah.
The Bad Boys of Magic, The Prestige din.
Oh, The Prestige.
The Prestige.
The Bad
If-
Boys
if you-
of Alien, ano?
Oh, Men in Black?
Alien, Men in
Kunyari,
Black.
Oh, fuck!
if you want to take something even mundane, kunyari, The Bad Boys of Journalism. Diba? Ang dami mga cool.
Nag-benefit
mga-
ako sa'yo dati, The Bad Boys of Table Tennis, di ba?
Oh, pero,
Sige,
isn't
Meron na,
there-
may
Yeah.
Balls of Fury na eh.
Diba? See, it's always the Bad Boys of Blank.
So,
Ganda ng
ano yung
pick
una
na
mo? Wait,
John Wick series.
John Wick.
Ocean
Ocean
series.
Oceans.
Ocean series.
You know, since I mentioned it, I'll throw in The Martian in there.
God damn! Gusto ko talaga yun eh.
really
no?
love
The
The
biannual.
If you need to rewatch it
I love
every
that.
time.
You know why? Okay, this is why I love The Martian so much.
3 hours yun, di ba?
Hindi naman, mga 2.5. Because it's
250.
I like it kasi parang you think it's all gonna go wrong. I like movies like that. Yung parang
Uh-oh.
the-
No hope.
you think
Ganun
the,
eh.
you think the genre because of 'di ba mga space movies.
Mm.
It's conditioned you to believe na parang it's about to all go wrong. He's gonna die, you know. But then it never does that. It always goes the positive route. I'm like, yes.
ito.
Parang just when it goes wrong, it's like,
Sorry,
Parang, bakit
bigla ako naalala. Kasi, sorry, singit ko lang ah.
go lang din.
Nanood ako ng Quezon.
Dude.
Recently.
I watched
By
By the way, sobrang galing ni Jericho Rosales.
I'd
si
rather
Echo?
have a country run by Filipinos. Something like that.
Dapat pala gawin mo lagi pa, hindi ka konyo yun.
Kahit pala ko siya eh. Dapat siya si Manuel Quezon ba?
Pero
Kailangan
meron
country
kasi
run.
kaya ako na-bring up, meron isang scene sa Quezon. Kailangan nyo panood. Hindi siya spoiler. Unnecessary siya eh. Pero
What do
gusto
you mean?
nila ipakita na si Manuel L. Quezon, during that time, gusto niyang makimasa. Gusto niyang bumango sa masa. So, ano siya, kumbaga, anyway, so may scene doon, may duling.
Oh.
May lalakad siya, may duling. Tapos sabi ni Manuel L. Quezon, putang ina mong duling, gali ka dito. Niyakap niyang gano'n. Tapos, kinlose up dun sa duling. Nakagano'n talaga siya. Tapos, tinanong siya ng mga assistant niya or something. Sabi niya, kilala mo ba yun? Sabi niya, hindi ko kilala yun. Sabi niya,
Man of the people.
man of the people.
Man of the people.
It's a good
Sobrang
movie.
gano'n, hindi siya kailangan eh. Sabi niya, putang ina mong duling, gali ka dito.
Niyakap niya lang eh. No?
Nice.
Gusto ko panoorin yung Quezon kasi gusto ko malaman kung may scene doon na titiklopin yung mukha niya tapos gagawin siyang Batista.
Nasa 50 pa rin ba siya? Ngayon?
20, pare.
Ha?
Manuel
20 pala,
Quezon, 20.
20.
Serious man niya iniisip mo.
Serious, man. Pero ang ganda ng bayan.
Okay.
Yeah,
Anyway.
yeah.
Okay, ikaw. Top 2 more.
Hindi na tayo like film series, no?
Just film.
Kahit movie lang.
Kasi parang ang hirap eh.
Pwede franchise din.
Na-mention ko na to kanina, which is isa sa mga nag-shape sa akin, which is yung Infernal Affairs. Mahirap lang siya pag-usapan kasi ako lang ata nakapanood sa atin.
GMA News and Infernal Affairs.
Infernal Affairs talaga sobrang ganda ng pag-build ng tension. Ano. Like, I suggest, kung hindi nyo pa napapanood, kahit kayo, kung hindi nyo pa napapanood, panoorin nyo lang. Tapos panoorin nyo yung The Departed pagkatapos.
Mm-hmm.
Tapos makikita mo yung sobrang laking difference when it comes to like storytelling. Kasi si Martin Scorsese mahilig siya sa mga
Mm.
mga out there na mga
For sure.
pangyayari.
Yeah.
Di ba?
Yeah.
Pero, yung Infernal Affairs, like, mas subdued. Subdued. Subdued.
Nice. Sup, dude?
Subdued.
Dude.
Ang daming
Savage.
underlying, like, lahat, mga subtleties lang. Ganun. Pero, kunyari, pag nanood ka ng Departed, like, mahilig kasi mga Americans siguro sa mga ine-explain na. Like, it's more telling than showing. Ito mas showing and then baka sabihin namin pero hindi. Ganun.
Gets. I'ma watch it.
Panoorin niyo. Like,
Emma
it's my
Watson,
favorite
Emma
Hong Kong
Okay.
action film.
Will do. Yeah, because that's out. That's on Netflix. I think.
Yeah, sa Netflix.
Nice.
Yung, okay.
Sweet.
Ikaw, Jad. Wait lang. Tatlo na ba yan?
One more, no?
One more
May isa
pa.
pa ako. Ay, okay.
Now you see me.
Now you've three.
Hindi rin eh. Like,
You
yung
see me?
enjoyment ko for Now You See Me is purely for the memes eh.
Gets.
Fuck, nga, may isa pa.
Any animated? or-
Hirap, no?
Mahirap nga eh. Pero, siguro, isa sa mga favorite movies ko for all time. Tayo na pinag-usapan kasi namin ni Red to sa isang podcast episode recently. The Other Guys.
Oh,
other guys.
that's a good one. Yes.
Para sa akin, yun yung best
Comedy.
Will Ferrell movie.
Para sa akin yun yung best
That's a good one.
Dwayne Johnson version. In showbiz.
Yung aware pa siya na
Si
parang
Jansen
kaya
and
ko-
Highsmith.
Kaya ko magpatawa eh.
Mhm.
Tas ngayon,
Ganda yan.
immortal na siya eh. Parang
Ah.
hindi na masaya panoorin.
Who is that? No, seriously, who is that? Ang tagal eh.
Ah.
Siguro mga 4 na beses sinabi ni Mark Wahlberg kung sino yung asawa ni Will Ferrell.
Ah.
Yeah.
Ang daming magandang jokes talaga dun.
Si Christineth.
Yun yung movie siguro na, like, isa sa mga comedy movies na pinaka naalala kong umiyak ako sa kakatawa.
Yeah.
Like yung scene na nung
Talagang
yung,
hindi
yung
Talladega
nanay.
Nights.
Hindi yung Talladega Nights.
I mean,
I think I've watched it more than the other guys.
yeah.
Pati yung Step Brother siguro yung most na napanood
Yeah.
ko.
Well, the clip you talked about, yung the grandma scene.
Yeah,
talaga.
yun, dun
That
ako
one
umiyak.
I was crying there, dude. That shit was
Solid.
so funny. Yung parang, ganun ka na.
Gusto ko i-pause eh, pero mawawala yung flow eh. Ano ba yun?
Best, ikaw muna.
Sige, in no particular order, I'd go with School of Rock.
School of Rock. School of Rock.
Okay, nice choice.
The pedophile movie?
Oh, bakit pedophile
And we
movie?
were stuck in the
Ah,
dumb
kasi-
days.
I mean, Jack
just
Black,
One and hang out with kids?
you
Is he a
know,
pedophile?
kidnapping kids
Ay, hindi naman
Yeah.
niya.
for a field trip.
For the love of music.
No, it's ruined now.
Nah, joke lang. It's a joke.
Si
If
Richard
you want
Linklater ng
big
director
teachers,
ng
Ah.
ng School of Rock.
But yeah.
The Before series, the Sunrise series.
Yeah, Richard Linklater.
But yeah, favorite film ko siya,
Boyhood.
growing up. And I think it would be the film I'd show my kid if I were
School
to
of
have a
Rock.
kid.
That's a good one.
Because I can expose them to a lot. Like if they want to be a funny person, they can learn from that movie. If they want
Namatay
to
yung
be a
drama.
musician.
Yeah.
Dual purpose siya kasi may expose ka rin sa mga musicians eh.
Yeah. yung
Namatay
mga-
yung drummer, di ba?
Patay na yung drummer.
Oh, fuck, man.
Anyway.
But yeah.
Okay.
Sige, next would be Pursuit of Happiness. We talked about that.
Oh,
na.
that's good. That's cool.
Kid
Best
Cudi ba?
underdog.
That's
Ano?
Kid Cudi.
Cudi.
Si Kid Cudi.
Yeah, one of the few movies I cried. Yeah.
Yung favorite scene ko dun yung
Sa
natutulog
banyo?
sila sa CR. Oh,
Gago.
kagalit siya. Kagalit siya.
Tapos, yung control ng tear ni Will Smith in that scene, I thought
Parang
talagang,
hinigop niya just right eh para mabagal yung bagsak.
yung parang ganun siya.
Don't let anyone
Yung
tell
kumakatok
you.
daw doon, pilay eh.
Sir, please.
Yeah.
Natatay na ako.
Nasa PWD ka!
Ano yung line? Don't let anyone tell you that you can't do it.
Yeah.
Not even me.
Yeah.
Kaya,
So good.
nag-invest kasi siya dun sa ano eh. Ano yung binibenta
Yung
niya?
heart thing?
Yung parang X-ray.
The bone density machine.
Bone density
Gago.
machine.
Bone
Bobo.
density scanner.
That's nice. Ano pa yun?
That's a good one. That's a good
Lastly,
one.
the Spider-Man franchise. Which one?
Which one? Tom
Sa
Holland?
tie between Andrew and
Sabi ni
si
Toby.
Toby.
Maganda
I
yung
did
Toby.
like the Andrew Garfield one.
What?
Yun yung,
You did not?
No,
Or
I did.
I thought
I did like
Yun
it.
yung-
I did like it.
yun yung I think most accurate portrayal daw of a Peter Parker Spider-Man type.
Si
na-
Andrew.
Hindi naman sa Gwen
Andrew.
Stacy chemistry
Gwen
nila
Stacy.
eh.
Yeah,
Maganda yung
very
chemistry
good.
nila eh.
Diba yung
No wonder
critique
they
ni
got together.
on Andrew was he was too cool. Like he looked like a model daw.
That's true.
Hindi,
He was
pogi
skate-
kasi siya eh.
Oh, he was
Yun yung
skateboarding.
problema.
ganun.
He
He
didn't
didn't
have
have to skateboard.
Hindi, pero yung quips niya, kung paano how he conducted himself as Spider-Man.
Oh.
Parang,
Payat.
ay na, tayo sa Marvel vs. Capcom
Yeah.
eh. Ganun siya.
Sabi nila si Andrew yung best Spider-Man, si
I like
Toby
Andrew
yung best Peter Parker. Kasi he captured the awkwardness. Ganun.
I
Tapos
hate it when people do that.
Tapos si Tom Holland yung pinakamaliit na Spider-Man.
I hate
Pinaka
it
fun
when
size.
People like, siya yung Peter Parker talaga. Si Toby. Si Spider-Man, si Andrew. Tangina.
I'm so good at
Eh di sana maglaplapan sila. Di ba? Nasaan na?
Si Toby, yung gumanap sa Brothers.
Yung, sa brothers na.
They're
They're brothers.
They're brothers.
Favorite scene ko yung nagwawala siya.
Golf club siya.
Kalahati na movie na may nagwawala eh. Diba? Hindi, pero gets ko yung sinasabi mo. Ganda rin kasi nung pero mas prefer ko yung una siguro. Like ito, kasi
Toby.
doon ako lumaki.
First Tobey Maguire one.
Yes.
Ganda talaga ng Spider-Man 2, pare.
Oh, gago with Doc Ock.
Doc
pare.
Ock.
Yeah,
Oh,
that was
shit.
that was the best one in
Yeah.
the Tobey
A
series.
villain you can understand, man.
Yeah.
In terms of quality, I
Do
think.
better, pare, sabi sa kanya.
Ang pinakagusto kong villain na sa Spider-Man, sa kahit anong Spider-Man,
No.
si Jamie Foxx.
Si Jamie Foxx.
Si
Electro.
May stutter siya
Yung first version niya.
Idol ka eh. Ganun na.
Si Idol pala to eh. That's a nice list.
It's a good
Thank you,
list,
thank
good
you.
list, good list.
Alam nga top 3 sa akin, mabilis lang.
Ah.
Before
Go.
we go to unfiltered takes.
Oh,
Ah,
nice.
Alright,
Good.
alright.
Top 3, Inglourious Bastard.
Ooh, nice.
Okay.
Bastards. Inglourious Bastards.
Plural.
Rush Hour
Nice.
series, whatever, franchise. Tsaka Shrek.
Oh, that's a good one.
Nice
Maganda.
one. Good
The
call.
whole series. The whole series ng Shrek.
Yeah.
Sorry, 1 and 2.
Yeah.
Pinanood mo ba yung
Yung 3 yung may family
Si
na siya.
Artie.
Oh, pare.
Pinanood mo ba? Hindi ko alam kung counted to, pero pinanood mo ba yung huling Puss in Boots?
Hindi.
Ang ganda ng
Lagi mo
Puss in
sinasabi
Boots.
sa akin.
I heard it was
talaga.
good.
So
Lagi.
Ganda ba?
Yeah.
Ganda?
Yung Puss in Boots na Last Wish.
Na sinabi na was
so fucking good.
na pinatay ni Ryan
Really?
Coogler
Okay.
for Sinners. Diba?
Yung masabi niya.
Yan yung kunento niya.
Yung sa akin parang
inspo niya
putain
for
na
Sin-
maganda to kasi yung market ng Shrek matanda na. So para sa kanila siguro.
Maganda nga yung Puss in Boots. I haven't seen that one yet.
You should. It's really,
Well, I saw it
really
because
good.
like my nephew was watching it, so parang you kind of watch it to the side, pero I haven't seen it.
Yung bagong Puss in Boots lang yung Last Wish, iba na yung animation niya. Hindi lang siya like, yung smooth looking 3D ng Shrek.
Ayoko na nun.
Ito medyo, may pagka, stop motion niya.
Ooh.
I guess the best version ni Shrek,
One.
Shrek 1 talaga.
Ganda din. You know the Muffin Man.
The Muffin Man. Well,
Ako gusto ko yung Shrek 1 kasi may wrestling.
married to the Muffin Man.
Muffin Man? Who lives on Drury Lane?
Nagpipik ang audio niya.
Sorry.
Nag-clip, sorry.
Donkey.
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 Anyway,
Mike
guys,
Myers, no?
since we're talking about movies and series,
Yes, sir.
Okay.
meron ba kayong unfiltered takes?
Unfiltered takes.
Tungkol sa movies and series.
Actually, ginagawa namin sa unfiltered takes kahit ano eh.
Mm.
Kung meron ka something that you want to get off your chest.
Ooh.
Okay.
You know?
Hindi to hot take,
Let's get-
unfiltered lang. Kasi
let's-
pwedeng yung take ko maging, okay.
Kahit
pero-
pwedeng ang pet peeve lang.
Okay. Not related to movies and TV.
Of course, we
Yeah.
want the ratings, man. So,
Okay.
a little spice.
Ilan ka lang? Isa lang? Tig-isa lang kami.
Yung clippable
Sige.
ba?
Kung meron ka. Meron ka.
Pang viral pa.
Yung sa akin, I think it relates to kung ano yung pinag-usapan natin earlier in the episode na parang, dude, hayaan mo sarili mo maging sensitive.
Amen.
That's a good take.
Kasi, alam ko, maangas talaga maging cool tulad namin.
Yeah. But it gets tiring eh.
Kami mga macho men of the comedy industry.
Pero the reason we're cool.
The reason we're cool is we accept na minsan, kailangan mo na umiyak. Kailangan mo lang kiligin. Woo! Minsan, may mga kaibigan ako nang hanggang ngayon ganun pa rin eh. Na parang medyo, di ba, di ako mahilig dyan. Pambabae. Parang, pambabae.
Tapos may Yossi.
May Yossi. Yung, specifically itong dalawang daliri. Tapos ako parang, ba't ko inaamoy yung kamay mo? Diba? Pero wag ka, don't allow yourself
Amen.
to miss out on a good time dahil masyado kang nagpapakul. Yun lang.
Amen.
Mm.
Amen.
Yes.
Ganda nun. Ikaw, Ryan.
What comes to mind now, I guess, with like movies and series, I think about like what I want to see like locally, because I wanna appreciate. There's a lot of local content that I do appreciate. But what immediately takes me out of it sometimes is when there's there's not a lot of parang portrayal of real life and how we really are. Alam mo
Okay.
yun? Yung parang,
Lahat ba glitz and glam lang? ang
yeah,
nakikita mo?
you know, like for example, like it's either like the storyline is like this super rich hashindero or you know,
tropes,
or
eh, no?
you know, or you go to poverty and like, you know, obviously people get sometimes we're known for poverty porn, things like
Yeah.
that. But I don't see a lot of like real representation of middle class life. You
That's
know,
true.
you know what I mean?
That's
like,
fucking true.
and that like, you know, I don't see myself like as a Pinoy. Like I don't see myself on screen. I don't see you guys on screen.
Kulang
Alam mo yun?
representation.
Marami
Like,
tayo eh.
It's a
Marami
lot
tayo.
of
We need
it's-
more
it's- it-
Kanyos.
Yeah, it's all it's all polar opposites.
Yeah.
And a lot of the time, like you know, I don't see a lot of content or series for that matter that represents us in accurate ways. Yung parang sometimes the act, you know, like when they say like ABS-CBN acting, you know,
Yeah.
there's a certain, you know, I know what that acting is like, you know, when you do like commercial acting, but I don't see like a lot of things where people are just kind of like chilling, talking like this. It's always with that, kasi gani eh. You know, there's that, you're dialed up to like 11. You're dialed up to 12.
Nandito lang siya
naman
kanina eh.
Talaga? Pupunta siya dito? Yung parang, like, that's not how I would say it. I'd be
Chill
like,
daw si Mr. Fernandez.
diba? I would be
ganun.
like, talaga? Parang, you know what I mean? Like,
Boss, dito na yung reports.
diba? So I would
Yeah,
just...
that's what we parody, man.
you know, because like that's what we're trying to. That's what I'm trying to do. Like
Yeah.
I would love like not to segue into to promoting what we're doing is like
Hey.
I've been trying to pitch series that like this whole past year, like pitching original series, pitching like sitcoms,
Yeah.
pitching things like that because I want to be able to do that. I want to see myself on screen. I want to put a character that I think is like close to you guys. You know what I mean? I just want to see more of that.
Yeah.
You know.
I think, bukod sa I 200% agree.
Oh.
Thanks, bro.
I think people are... Kasi, for some reason, pagka mayaman yung nakikita mo sa screen, or at least nagpo-portray sila ng class A,
Yeah.
socio-economic class level,
Mm.
lagi silang donya or
Yeah.
something.
Yeah.
Which in reality,
Hindi.
hindi naman sila
Like-
ganun. Nasa power plant sila eh.
Nakatira sa condo eh.
I think we've all been around someone who's really rich. We know how a rich person is, and it's like it's not that.
Medyo low-key minsan.
Hindi siya yung nakasuot ng fucking pearls habang nasa bahay lang.
Oo.
Di ba?
Hindi siya ganun. Naka-shorts lang sila. Alam mo yun.
Actually, ang image sa akin ng mga mayayaman ngayon is yung mga mukhang normal na lang talaga. Hindi sila nagsusot
Stand out.
Hindi sila nag-stand out kasi baka ma-hold up kayo. Mga ganun.
May subtle signs lang. Like,
Yeah.
like
Pero
may uwala sila.
I
ganun.
think the reason why, well, hindi
Ako
wala
yung
man akong
din.
alam about it. Pero this is just me. May kumakamot. This is just me seeing how I see. Saying how I see it. Feeling ko kasi, yung Pinoy, paano ba? Yung collective zeitgeist ng Pinoy TV shows pagdating sa socio-economic class.
Yeah.
Yung middle class, yun yung pasosyal nila eh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which is not the case.
Get.
Kasi sobrang daming middle class and I don't want to be insensitive about it.
Yeah.
Sobrang daming middle class. Statistics to
Yeah.
Sobrang daming middle class.
Yeah.
So, parang to me, I think the reason why ayaw nilang ipakita yun kasi they think that middle class ay the ruling class, which is
I
not.
see. Yeah.
Dude.
Yeah.
Na parang maraming hindi makaka-relate dyan, masyadong mayaman.
Hindi wala akong pera ngayon.
Yeah.
Di ba?
Yeah.
Hindi ko nga alam paano magbabayad ng bills next month eh.
Yeah. Yeah.
So,
Yeah, pero-
it's the way people speak
Yeah.
sa middle
Oo.
class na, ano naman kung gano'n sila, hindi naman ibig sabihin na gano'n sila magsalita, ay mayaman sila eh.
Oo.
Amen.
Yeah.
Kaga pag sa States ka pumunta, lahat sila nag-English dun.
Oo.
Yeah.
Kahit
Bigyan mo
mga
ng
mahirap.
coins yung
Oh,
isa.
Kahit,
Oo.
yung, kahit yung hobos. Man.
Kahit yung hobos,
Spare
English
change,
speaking.
spare change,
Yeah.
sir.
I get it.
Hindi, pero yun nga, gets ko yung sinasabi mo na
Hindi naman
these things-
insensitive to, di ba?
Hindi.
No, dude. I think it's nice. to
we're
talk about
setting
this.
the record straight.
Yeah. We're not.
Kaya naman mag-English ng kahit sino. Pero.
Oh.
Yes.
Ikaw kasi may accent kaya medyo mahirap
I
yan.
think it just, it just boils down to authenticity. Like it is what it is. This is how it is.
Capture the
And if
real
we're not gonna
stories.
talk about it, if we're not gonna address it, or if we're not gonna like
It's never gonna get
represent
addressed,
it, then we're just gonna have these flawed ideas of how we really are. That's why parang,
Yeah.
diba, Pinoy's always just like, we're the most welcoming people, pero Pinoy's hate other Pinoy's like the most. You know what I mean?
I hate them all.
Yeah.
Joke lang.
Yeah. The
Lalo
more
na yung mga
Filipino-
taga.
Yeah.
That's a good take, Ryan. Agree. Ikaw?
All right. Speaking of TVs and movies, when you're trying to recommend a TV show or movie to your friend and you watch it together, and you're the friend, don't use your phone. Parang like it's such a big pressure for someone to like recommend a movie or a TV show to someone. Like they're so vulnerable. Tapos the least you can do is pay attention to the laptop, to the
Like,
TV.
ikaw yung nirecomendan, tapos ikaw yung nagpa-phone.
Parang okay, I'm recommending a movie to you, and then you use your phone.
Gets.
Don't. That's for me. Stop doing
What
that,
do you
guys.
mean while watching?
Yeah, parang
It's happened before.
yeah, parang
I
I
know
really
this
want
feeling.
I really want you to watch Spider-Man 2. Then I see you 10 minutes in pa lang.
I
naka-phone
disagree.
ka.
Sorry.
Parang like that hurts. Like, oh my god, I'm trying to show you this film.
Parang give it a chance, di ba?
Yeah, or
I
ito pa,
disagree.
what if my friend who I'm showing my movie or TV show to, they go up to get to the banyo, to CR. Then I'm like, oh, I'll pause it for you. And they're
Ayaw
like,
niya.
"Wag-
Yeah, tuloy mo lang.
We're gonna miss this, dude. Every minute is important. Ganon.
Ako gets yung sinasabi mo. Pero hindi ko alam kung nag-agree ako totally na kontrolin mo yung kasama.
Iba din yung pressure na parang, uy, panoorin mo to tapos nandun ka lang.
Tapos pinapanood ka niya.
Are you
Okay,
laughing?
ta.
Are you laughing?
Ito, ano ba? Ito yung
like it,
nakakatawa eh.
right? It's good, right?
Okay, fine. I guess that's the weird part. Bro.
Kasi
It
hindi niya
hurts,
naman
man.
ginusto yun eh.
Hindi,
Kumbaga,
pero kung
hindi-
nag-agree ka,
Mm.
kung nag-agree ka na parang,
To check it out.
yeah, I'll watch it with you.
Ako kasi I kinda need to check my phone eh.
Kasi busy siya.
Busy,
Hindi
busy
naman.
busy guy.
Kumbaga, ewan ko, baka that's just me. I have an unfiltered take related to that.
Oh, cool.
Oh.
Yun na lang yung unfiltered take ko for this episode. Pag nanonood kayo ng movie, tapos, again, umalis ka, CR ka.
Mm.
Tapos, hindi mo pinapos. Then, sige, okay lang. Balik ako agad. And then, paglapit mo, ano nangyayari? Pwede mo bang ikwento?
Yun yung bad trip. Gago,
Never
bakit
gonna-
hindi mo pinapos?
So, yun-
Kainis! Ano to? May streaming na. May
Tatanungin
streaming
mo
na.
ko. Gets ko sa sinihan eh. Kasi di mo naman pwede sabihin sa projector kayo.
Guys,
ano nga. Kasi ako, gago sa sinihan, nasa CR ako nung namatay si Black Widow eh.
Oh, why'd you go, dude?
Nasa, umiihi ako, tapos parang,
Wala man, 3 hours yun.
bakit sila nag-oo?
I fucked up.
Ang haba kasi ng movie, puta yun na.
Mahaba.
Libre pa yung soft drinks doon. Di ko inumin to. Di ba? Pero,
Meron akong ano.
gets ko yung sinabi mo.
Di ba?
Sobrang nakaka-bad trip yun. Kaya ang ginagawa ko, nagpinopost ko kahit wala eh.
Oo. May mga unfiltered takes ako na galing sa group.
Yeah.
Gusto ko lang
Go.
basahin.
Anything
Ito,
from...
Ano yung mga tawag para sa mga fans mo?
staplers.
Staplers. Kasama ni Jad yun.
Yeah.
Naalala ko Jad nung nangyari yun. Tapos magkasama tayo sa green room. Tapos ayaw ka lang namin tigilan.
Okay.
Ito, this is
Yeah,
good.
we called Margie
This is
a
not,
stapler.
We called her an extension cord.
hindi siya tungkol sa TV shows. Pero I agree dito eh. Galing siya kay kay John Lloyd. Hindi ko na sasabihin yung,
John Lloyd yung pangalan.
yun yung first two names.
Nice.
Kago,
First name.
hanapin lang nila sa group yan eh.
Marami.
Marami silang John Lloyd. Ilan? Dalawa.
So, ganito kay John Lloyd E. Sabi niya, birth controls are placed on the wrong gender.
Woo!
If men can impregnate one woman every day for 9 months, there will be approximately 274 pregnancies. While if a woman slept with one man, she'll carry one baby for 9 months.
Tangina.
I kinda agree.
Ano yung first
Makes sense.
Yung
statement niya?
take niya is birth controls are placed on the wrong gender.
May birth control for men.
Yeah,
Yeah,
they're making it
pero-
Tawag doon anime, pare. Joke lang, mahilig ako sa anime.
and maybe play
Yeah,
some
but there are.
Beyblade.
But there are.
Buy a couple
You mean like a
Beyblades.
pill?
Yeah.
Yeah. Not just the
Ano kaya
good
magiging
old-fashioned
effect sa
condom.
lalaki ng birth control pill? No? Kasi nakikita, alam na natin effect niya sa babae.
Oo.
So parang paano kaya niya tayo itotono in a way na hindi rin ganun kakomportable. No?
Yeah.
I
It's
would
a-
accept it.
Ako
Kasi
Yeah.
the
I'm for
reason
it.
why we're thinking about it is because nakita natin sa women nangyari yun. And
Mm.
for us to look out for ourselves.
So, yung tipong nakikita mong tinitake, parang
Yeah.
lakas mo eh.
Oo,
Lakas
kaya
na.
mo yan.
Kaya mo yan. Ako pag ginanyan.
Sabi nga nila, mas mataas pain tolerance ng babae. Yes. Which is true, by the way.
It's true.
Yeah.
That's
It's a good take, dude.
I
Yeah.
think isa
Thank you,
rin
John
yung
Lloyd.
like,
yeah, I agree.
a more permanent birth control talaga yung
Vasectomy.
vasectomy.
Yeah,
Snipping it.
I would snip it. Yeah.
Generally, anything that just promotes. I mean, like
Oh.
so much has been put upon women. Let's face it.
I think
Yeah, man.
makatulong
Anything
better sex education in general.
anything that helps that situation out, I'm all for.
Ito may
it.
isa pa. Ito TV series take naman.
Oh,
to.
nice.
Okay,
Okay.
keep 'em coming.
Galing siya kay LJ.
LJ.
LJB.
Oh God.
Oh.
Star-studded yung group,
The
guys.
King, pare.
Sean.
The
My
King.
goat.
Si Brune.
Nice.
Sabi niya, mas maganda overall ang How I Met Your Mother kumpara sa Friends.
Kumpara sa Friends.
Kumpara sa Friends.
Wow.
Overall.
Yes.
May rason?
Pero, mas maganda yung I Got Off the Plane kesa dun sa ending ng story ni Ted.
Yeah, I hate it.
Yung ending ni Ted was kind of a cop-out. No?
Super cop out. Did not feel good.
Sige.
Pero foreshadowing siya from the first episode pa lang.
Yes,
No?
pero
Na parang
parang-
That's How I Met Your Aunt Robin. diba?
Ako, you want for a comedy, you want to leave that series feeling good.
Oh,
You know
nga.
what I mean? You don't want to leave.
I
feeling
felt so
like, oh
shitty
my God.
after
I
it.
felt shitty.
Sa How I Met Your Mother.
Yeah. I felt shitty. Parang, really? Parang ganun yung...
Ako every
I
time
mean-
na napuputol yung papakita na yung mother, nabuburat ako. Tapos, dan.
Yes.
Iba na.
Pero pag nakita mo na siya, solid eh.
Those, I think, like early How I Met, they had a good, like, 4 or 5 season run.
Oh,
That really,
dire-diretso.
really good. Parang Friends, Friends is an easy rewatch, but parang, there's a lot of things that don't hold up. You know what I mean?
Like, product of its time, I
It's a
guess.
product of its time, but I guess, like, lovable character-wise,
Oh.
it's still
But
there.
do you guys agree na if you take out the endings, see How I Met Your Mother is better than Friends?
No, I think
I
I'll go
I
Friends.
think.
I'll go
Friends
Friends
din
din.
I'll
ako.
go Friends.
May favorite scene ako sa Friends na
May namatay
parang
na ba sa How I Met?
Meron.
Meron na ba?
Yung tatay ni Marshall, straight up, they foreshadowed it the whole episode.
Mm.
Namatay yung tatay niya.
Oh,
It was
Pero
kinda-
sa
it was
main
really sad.
cast.
I mean, cast.
Wait, dude. I should see Matthew.
Si Matthew.
Perry.
Yung favorite scene ko sa Friends is si Joey ata. Kasi di ba magkatapat sila nakatira ni Ross. So nasa kabilang apartment siya, like across the street. So parang pinapanood niya si Ross. Tapos sinabi, there he goes, doing his fake watching TV bit again.
Yeah.
Tapos parang mukhang nanonood lang ng TV. Tapos sinabi nata ni Monica na, I think he's just watching TV. Tapos biglang nag-cut sa kanya na parang nakapatay yung TV. Tapos gumagano. mga little stupid moments. Really, ang galing.
Naalala mo ba yun?
Nakita ko siya sa Instagram recently.
That is a
ulit.
good one.
Very Family Guy cutaway. Parang.
Oh.
I do like that
Gago.
one.
Hindi
Pwede
ko-
pa ba ako magbasa ng isa pa?
Meron ako isa
yeah.
pang unfiltered take. Okay lang ba?
Sige, oo naman.
Related to sa mga sinabi nyo kaninang unfiltered takes.
About that, no?
Pag nanonood kayo sa bahay, like sa Netflix or streaming, wag nyo natabi phone nyo sa sarili nyo. Na-realize ko na problema siya talaga kapag hawak mo yung phone mo habang nanonood ka.
Oh, for sure.
Kasi minsan, meron ako dating problema na medyo impatient ako. Like with pacing. And gets ko na parang, alam mo yun, ito yung intention ng siguro, ng gumawa. Minsan parang, pag nanonood ako ng something na hindi ako super interested in, nasa phone lang ako. So maya-maya tinitin ako na kung ano mangyayari. It's a real problem before. Kaya ngayon pag nanonood ako nyari ng mga series, tinatabi ko lang phone ko somewhere. Like iwan ko nag-charge, ganun. Tapos manonood ako.
Ganun.
Hindi naman. Pero nakakatulong siya kung gusto mo talaga, kung balak mo enjoyin yung pinapanood mo.
Okay.
Huwag mo itabi phone mo kasi
For sure.
bad trip yun.
Agree.
Yeah, Leland.
Pero kailangan ko eh.
Watch
Busy
School
siya.
of Rock, man.
Anyway,
Watch it.
last take and then isipin mo kung ano yung tanong ni Monty kasi nakalimutan ko eh.
I got it.
So while you're thinking about it, last take na to.
Okay.
Sabi siya ni Mitch Darrell.
Mitch Darrell.
Daryl.
Mabilis lang to, pero
Para sa'yo
sobrang... para sa'yo to, Mitch Darrell T. Di natin obligasyon magpakain sa work tuwing birthday natin.
Putay na totoo eh, no?
Obligasyon ng company.
Company.
Oo.
Well, company natin ganun.
Agree.
Oh, wait, yeah.
Yeah, you pay. The
I
company
pay.
pays.
When it's their birthday, I pay.
Great
'Cause
employer.
In his company, he pays?
Mukhang ganun.
Oh.
May culture na ganun eh.
Blow out ka naman.
Blow out ka naman. Putay na pare-pareho lang tayong kinikita dito.
Patrit.
birthday mo, walang pasok eh.
Pare, on
Diba?
this salary, pare.
Oo, gago.
Kaya take a leave na lang.
Yeah, that's what I believe.
Oh,
Don't even
birthday
be
leave.
there.
Kung mag-birthday leave ka, punta ka ng Japan para magbakasyon, tapos pagbalik mo, kailangan may pasalubong.
No.
Yeah.
Bakit
Yeah.
yun?
Tayo na.
But if you're a boss, do you have to bring pasalubong? Parang there's that pressure na the boss
Kasi
is
ikaw yung
expected.
mas malaki sweldo mo eh.
If you really care about your employees, mandatory
Alam mo,
Oh,
ako hindi ko minimension to, pero si Ryan nagpunta States. Pag uwi niya, dami niyan dalang candy.
candy.
Puro candy lang, pare.
That's a good boss there.
Yung maganda doon, tinanong mo pa kami kung ano gusto namin. Sabi ko,
Whoa.
tayo na Ryan, candy lang. Candy lang.
Oh.
Tapos si
I bought
Andren,
that top tier candy.
sobrang dami niyang kinain candy.
pare.
Hindi healthy, pare.
Kasi ito, like, side note, like, take. Pet peeve ko, yung mga local candy, like, lalo na sour candy. Nawawala yung sour effect once it gets here eh. If you notice, sour candy here, it's not a sour because it goes through transit. It heats up in transit.
Nawawala yung flavor.
Hindi ko no sure ka
Yeah,
pala.
so that sugar, when kunya you get Sour Patch Kids or like Sour Belts, it tastes more sweet because the sourness has melted away. And so
Pero telling me
natitira
na
yung
it's
sugar
not
eh.
supposed to be that sweet.
yes,
Oo.
when you buy it straight there from a grocery, put it in your maleta and keep it safe.
Tasang suka.
Pare, top tier sourness.
Parang
Got it.
yaki lang.
Got it.
Yeah.
Got it.
Oh,
I love the yaki.
Kaya sobrang saya ko nung sponsoran tayo dati ng Candy Corner. I
shit,
fucking
sarap.
love candy.
yeah.
Pero,
Yeah.
like, hindi ako mahilig sa sweets, pero I could like, mga sour glowworms, mga ganun.
Saka yung
pare.
mga puro Cadbury, the Cadbury with the...
Oo. Namigay sila ng mga violet crumble.
Yes, violet
Parang,
crumble.
Inang,
That was a lot. That was too much.
gusto nyo kami saktan?
Too much
Diba?
nerds.
Naisip mo na ba?
Okay.
Okay, nandito na tayo guys. Final segment
Let's
before
do it.
this is to wrap up the episode.
Okay.
Nandito na tayo sa walang edit question.
See, there's a little tone there
Alright.
now. There's a tone.
Pangit.
Ganda nun,
So,
ganda.
ang question na to ay nanggaling kay Monty of Mayonnaise.
Oy.
Yeah.
Monty
Big
Mayo
fan.
ba? Last episode, di ba siya?
Tayo na lang dalawa.
Big fan.
Sorry, I love that song.
At sa talaga, sila na lang dalawa.
Oh,
Ayos
wait.
natin
So he's
to.
the boss.
Anyway, ang question natin ay,
When you guys take a bath ba, do you wet your head first or yung paa nyo?
Oh.
Yung feet
my
mo?
God.
Preferably with assuming you use tabo. But I guess
Ay, yung
even
tabo
if
guy.
I am a tabo guy for cold water, for cold bath. Like I usually like like in the day, like first bath is cold, and I prefer tabo over shower. Because I
Okay.
feel it's just like you
Yung
get
coverage
it over
eh.
with,
Ah.
a bit more coverage,
yeah,
like that
yeah.
shock versus
Like ice
like a
bath.
cold shower. Pero at night definitely warm. Pero to answer your question, feet. I definitely
And why? Why?
parang wala, just to prime your body.
Ako, I go feet first.
Feet first.
Pero natutunan ko dahil kapag cold water guy kasi ako. Like, yun yung favorite ko. I don't feel
Yeah.
clean pag hot water for
Yes,
some reason. Diba? Kinasanayan ko lang ang cold water. Ako kasi I wake up early. So, kunyari, pag nagising ako mga 5 or 6, malamig pa.
Kobe
Diba?
hours.
Kasi alam mo, you gotta get in the, put in the work. Diba?
Rise and shine.
Pagkagising
Rise
ko,
and grind,
putay na.
Rise and grind.
Ligo na mabilis, diretso sa computer. Diba? Parang si Kobe lang.
Oh, kasi you can choose your gods but not your religion.
Hindi, ako kasi, ito, very, doktor na nagsabi sa akin ito, na kapag inuna mo yung ulo mo, medyo may shock siya eh.
Meron nga.
Pwede kang ma-stroke, pare.
Wow.
Ipa-foreplay mo muna dapat.
Oo, kailangan i-acclimate mo yung katawan mo sa
Yeah.
coldness. Kasi ako yun nga, cold shower guy, pare. Pero kung warm, tayo na, put it on my head.
Yeah. yeah.
I agree.
Give it to me, pare.
Heads up.
Di ba?
Gusto ko yung classic,
Sa mukha.
yung classic joke eh. Nung bata pa tayo.
Medyo warm.
Sabi niya, pag naliligo ka, ano una mong binabasa? Ulo. Mali. Ano pa? Mali. Una mong babasahin, yung tuyo. Par. Ikaw.
Talaga ng mga Pilipino, pare.
What do you call this? What was I gonna say? I forgot.
Head guy ka ba?
Ano? Feet then.
Feet guy.
And I guess that's why when you go to
Mahilig
a
ka nga
pool-
sa paa dyan, no?
Oh,
Your feet guy dyan? Your feet guy?
Call
For
back
free?
to episode, ano to?
That was the one with
Episode
sino yun?
Julia?
with Rocco ata.
Rocco pala.
Bachelorette
Rocco.
parties. Oh, anyway.
About feet in that episode?
Wild.
That was just an example. It's not really personal
Featuring
to me.
Rocco. Yeah.
Alright.
But yeah, I guess that's why with a pool or in a beach, you dip your feet first. So like, you don't test the water with what your head. Parang-
Yeah.
Hindi, kung professional diver ka, that's the only way. Actually, kamay una eh. Kasi kailangan may break in tension.
And I feel like you can do it with shower spray. Like even if wala kang tabo, like shower, feet muna. Ganun.
Okay.
Ganun ka mag... Ako hindi ko lang fino-full force. Like,
Ako-
let it come upon me.
I try
sa pod,
I try to make it interesting eh. Lalo na pag wala namang special sa day ko. Like, buksan mo yung shower, di ba? Timplay mong ganun. Magbukas mong ganun. Para may tiwala ako sa timpla ko.
Titi
Ulo
muna.
agad.
Titi muna.
Tapos medyo mainit.
Oh,
Pero yeah.
keep it exciting.
I try to make it interesting.
Meron ng moment ako dati na parang dibdib muna eh.
Puta! What the fuck? Ay, sorry.
Okay.
Nakaload ako nun eh. De,
Nice
joke lang.
one.
At dahil dyan,
Mm.
since sasagot nyo na ang walang edit question, kayo naman yung magbibigay sa next guest namin ng question. Pero kailangan mag-agree kayo.
Okay, I was gonna ask, paano to?
Damn.
Dalawa sila.
What kind of question, dude?
Gusto mo bigyan ng isang Bobo Debate question?
Sige.
Bobo Debate type beat?
Sige.
Okay.
I was wondering, will you half it, like you'll give the first half of the sentence? and
improv,
Ryan,
pare.
yung-
Yes ending tayo. Hindi ako improv kayo eh. Mahina ako sa ganun kasi lagi ako nagsasabi ng, di, totoo yan eh.
Gusto mo like super yung parang in true Bobo Debates fashion. Serious. Very serious question.
very serious question.
Like parang mga why do fools fall in love?
Shout out Bubba Debates on the
Actually,
Solid OK
man.
channel.
Makakas yun eh. Pero
Sige.
feeling ko kailangan natin lagyan ng onting...
Di nyo alam sino next guest.
Yun nga eh. Baka si Lenny sumagot na to.
I'd like to know.
Ako, I'd always like to know.
How do they know?
Kung sasagutin man ni... sino ba yung mga pwede? Mga Jaime Fabregas, ganun. Mga
Pwede.
guest level niya.
Why na?
Sige.
Never pa ako nagbigay ng tanong, no? Sa next
Mahirap
guest.
to Nung mga ibang guests nyo, mabilis lang sila nakaisip ng tanong. Bobo kami.
And you guys
Dalawa
are
kami.
two so it's hard then.
Overthink ka.
Ako rin eh. Kasi may pressure sa akin ngayon magpatawa. Pero may mga genuine questions lang talaga na mapasok.
Ano yung mga genuine question?
Oh, let's
Gusto ko
let's
yun,
workshop
yung
it.
Why do fools fall in love? Nakakatawa siya pero
do fools fall in love?
ayoko rin maging masyado seryoso yung sagot ng mga tao. Kung sino man yung next guest nila.
Si
Baka-
Caliodi yung
Si Caliodi. Ba't ganun? Magsalita ka muna, Chad. Magsalita ka muna.
Ano yung
Kailangan namin magano eh.
favorite question mo? Well, you guys think
favorite question
that we've had so
far. Shit.
Sa akin yung
ang
kay-
hirap sagutin eh. Gabe Pineda yung... Question ni Gabe Pineda.
yung
Sabi niya, kung meron lang dalawang candidate, sino
ganda na.
iboboto mo? Si Bongbong o si Duterte?
Oh.
Sino yung sumagot nun?
si Tito Mikey. I know.
Ako.
Ikaw.
Yung sumagot? Sino
Ako
sumagot mo?
sumagot. Ha?
Sino sumagot mo?
I answered smartly eh. Sabi ko, doon ako sa walang namamatay.
So si Bongbong.
Bong.
Wala ako sinasabi, pare. Wala ako sinasabi.
Alright.
Tayo na kahit sino mga presidente may namamatay kahit ano mangyari.
May nadulas na matanda.
Dulas na matanda or ano.
Anyway. Uy!
Ay,
We're extending!
Mga questions that you had in mind?
may isip ko lang na parang anong babaguhin mo sa sarili mo.
Oh, damn.
Mga ganun.
Katang ina.
Abstract na lang.
Plastic surgery.
Abstract. Sige.
Why do fools fall in love?
Why do fools fall in love?
Okay. That's a really what the fuck kind of question.
I love
Mahilig din kami sa mga ganitong question eh. Dude, alam mo ba yung listahan namin ng Bobo Debates questions? Ang daming ganitong type na question.
Anyway, ano yung last series question
Why
natin dun sa Bobo
do-
Debates?
Yung is it better to have loved and lost or to have never loved at all?
Puro kanta eh.
Gago, ano yun? Sponsored episode ng Candy Corner yun.
Ganda. Okay.
Alright.
Well,
I love
thank you
a
guys.
romantic question.
Thank you for
diba? Allow
visiting
yourself
the
to be
pod.
sensitive.
Oh, hell yeah, dude. Thanks for having us.
Thank
Salamat,
you.
Dylan.
Sana
Yeah.
bumalik kayo. Next time, maglalagay kami ng mas malaking couch.
Hindi, okay kami.
I'm sorry.
Okay kami.
I'm
Okay,
sorry.
kayo.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll lay off the chocolate.
As long as si Judd i-maintain niya ang kanyang peak physique na to,
Sana
okay kami dito.
snug
ba?
fit na next time.
My twin
Kaya-
body.
Napaka-supple ng katawan mo. Napaka-supple and nubile nitong...
Whoa. I
Nubile.
believe it's called New Balance.
Okay.
Anyway, before we let you go, gusto ko lang sabihin na follow Solid OK, follow Alexia Tabafunda, Ryan Puno, si Derek Ryan.
Yeah.
Follow Judd Gregorio.
Please.
Tumataas na yung following ni Judd.
Galing, Judd.
And
Proud of you,
Thank you, man.
follow me.
Yeah. Everything is all right.
Oh,
I will
okay.
guide you
To the promised land.
to the promised land.
Pwede ba mag-promote?
Oo naman.
Go, guys.
Gusto ko nang maging mas mataas sa head writer.
Okay.
Hindi.
Head
Ano
supervising
promote natin,
writer.
Ryan?
Alright. Sobrang break tayo ngayon.
Kailan,
Any
Kailan
shows?
lalabas to?
Any
Kailan
TV
lalabas to?
shows?
2 weeks
you wanna-
from now?
2 weeks from now. Merry Christmas, pare.
Merry Christmas,
Christmas.
guys!
Oh
Merry
my
Christmas.
God.
Tune
Happy
in sa
holidays.
next episode kasi magi-Christmas na. So
Si Santa Claus yung...
Oh, holy shit! Yun lang, maraming salamat. This is Walang Edit podcast. At thank you so much, Staplers. We appreciate you.
Salamat, Stapes.
Goodbye. Wala nang edit. Post na natin yan, Gab.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.